So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Now, I'm using a word magic. Why I'm calling it as magic of Vedic mathematics? Because you will be realizing very shortly the mathematics which you always took as a fear, a havoc, a stress, and which was used in your minds or the minds of the children. This will be very magical within few minutes. All the concepts, सोनू मैम आपका साउंड आ रहा है पीछे से डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है बहुत म्यूट रखो so very shortly we'll realize that whatever mathematics we have been doing in fear and havoc and stress, that was just our fault. And with Vedic mathematics, the same maths can be done in a better manner, in a magical manner, very fast, very entertaining. And so a very warm welcome to everyone. And so the first thing I would say, pat yourself. Now, what is, see, you should congratulate yourself that you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. You know, we plan so many things in our life, but are we successful in taking the first step? Just remember, before New Year, we always plan, we always make so many resolutions. I'll start with yoga on the 1st Jan. I'll start with meditation. I'll start with morning walk. But what happens on the 1st? Yes, Sonu. What happens on the 1st? Are we able to complete our resolutions? Dr. Kaur?
Yes, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What happens with? Why do we fail to fulfill our resolutions? See, this is what human nature is. I'll give you a very small note. Whenever you'll have a positive thought in your life, whenever, there is always a doubt associated to it. Just remember, whenever you are planning to do or start something new, there was a doubt. I'll be able to do it? Question mark. I'll be able to crack this exam? Question mark. I'll be able to start with morning walk? Will I recover? Will I be fine? Question mark. But the same new year, if you would have planned for a movie, will you stop? No. I'll not say that movie is not a positive thought and it is a negative, so you never fail. But it is not constructive, it is not educative, it is not informative, or it cannot bring a change in your life. So always remember, a positive thought brings a doubt. But what is our motive? What should be our way of looking the life? Whenever there is a doubt, we should gather more strength and move further. That is what is required from a human. Right. So let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandna. I'm an international trainer of Vedic mathematics. Also, I'm an author of books, Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. And I've been working as an educator for last 25 years. So I motivate and help other people to grow as an entrepreneurs. So that was what I said. The first step is the most difficult one. See, you might have been planning this from long, because from long, everybody is observing this ad, Vedic mathematics. You are hearing this name. Yes, Prachi. Since how long you are waiting? So everyone has this, yes, I'll do or I'll see to it. But that first step was the difficult. Remember, if we have taken the first step, then the journey becomes easy. But the first taking that decision is the most difficult one. You might also feel at this stage, will I be able to start something new now? See, life can start whenever you feel. It can start from anywhere. So never underestimate yourself. I often give two examples. When did Donald Trump became the president of the most powerful country? When he was at the age of how many years? 70s. Now also the recent and we all know KFC. Every child is fond of KFC chicken. When did he got success? After so many failures, and at what age? And see what he is today. So age is just a number. Vedic maths is one thing which you can start at any time. You have any qualification, you have done anything, but this can be started at any point of time because it starts with the basic, whatever you have done in your childhood with fear. And when you start doing this, that fear goes off and you start finding it more interesting. So the more fear you had earlier, the more interest you will generate. Right? So we'll be starting our workshop from the quotes of Bhagavad Gita. See, our nature, that should be self-confidence, motivation. But what happens? During one day also, a number of times our confidence shakes. You might have often seen children or yourself also. I'm not feeling good today. I'll not work. I'm not feeling good. I'll not have food. Now, what is that? How is food related to your mood? The only thing is we are not feeling good at heart because our confidence, our motivation is down. And this happens especially when we are very close to some special day. You have your examination day, you'll start thinking, will I be able to clear that? Will I be able to crack that exam? Or I should avoid it. And it happens number of times people avoid. If you have to go for an interview, think, yes, I have to travel. Why should I go? Maybe I don't get it. So that was the reason I was saying every positive thought has a negative doubt associated. But not to worry. Now you are at the right time, right place, and we'll start this journey with confidence. So today is a day to learn. So we'll be learning about Vedic mathematics, how to launch your classes, and leads towards a path of success in life. Right. So any questions before we start with Vedic mathematics? Any question you have? Yes, Prachi? Richa?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
Should you start?
Okay. So let's start with the brief history of Vedic mathematics. So how many of you are aware with the term Vedic mathematics? What is Vedic mathematics? Yes. Sonu? What is Vedic mathematics? Prachi? Richa? Dr. Kaur? I'll explain a bit.
It is a concept. Basically, it's a Vedic era concept of mathematics.
Okay. What else?
It has its own guidelines
Okay.
of calculations based on which we do our calculations, which makes it super easy to calculate.
Okay. So where did you find this word super easy?
Because you explained and I found it super easy. It was too much easy.
Okay. Yes, Sonu. Anything you want to add? Richa? Prachi?
In ancient time, it is a type of calculation. It is a method of calculation in ancient time when there is not a intro of the modern maths by our Rishi Munis from our Rishi Munis. the Vedic mathematics in our Vedas also found the base of this.
Okay.
Especially in Indian culture.
Okay, good. Now I'll give you a very technical and a brief information. See, Vedic means ocean of knowledge. Very first thing. So it does not always relate to Vedas only, but yes, it is ocean of knowledge. Now the term Vedic means, why is it called as Vedic? Why not something else? Because it is believed. See, I can only say the word believed to be originated. Kahan se aaya? It is believed to be originated from our Vedas. So you were right, Indian culture from our Vedas. Now, how many Vedas do we have?
4.
4 Vedas.
Which one?
Rigveda,
Yajurved,
Rigved,
Samved,
Yajurved, Samved
Atharved,
or Atharved.
Rigved.
The first one is Rigved, second Samved,
Yajurved.
Yajurved, and the fourth one is Atharveda. So this particular subject, it is believed to be originated from our Vedas, and the Vedas are Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, Atharved. But this particular subject, this has been taken from Atharveda,
Atharved.
the Veda which deals with culture, medicine, mathematics, and all the sciences which we deal today. Right. Now, this was a brief history. From where did we get the name Vedic? Now, there is always a guru. There is always a person who gives you this knowledge, or who is in between your holy books and you. So the founder or father of Vedic mathematics, he is none other than Swami Bharati. Swami Bharati. Krishna Tirath Ji. So his name is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath Ji, and he was a scholar. He was a Hindu guru, Shankaracharya, whom we call Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Now, Govardhan Peeth, you might be knowing we have Shankara Peeths in India. So Govardhan Peeth in Odisha is one such Peeth, and he was a Shankaracharya, a scholar over there, and he extracted the knowledge from the Vedas, particularly from Atharveda, and guided some principles and wrote a book which we today call as Vedic mathematics. Right. So from Govardhan Peeth, which is in Odisha. Any question you have regarding this, you can ask. Clear? This was all history. So technically, what is Vedic mathematics? It is a collection. Collection of what? Collection of techniques. Now, what is a technique? Techniques means the methods, the ways, the approach. So it is a collection of techniques. Now in mathematics, we call such techniques as formulas. And in Vedic maths, we call these formulas as sutras. So now you can define it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which makes our calculations, mathematical calculations, easy, simple, and faster. Is it clear? The definition, it is a collection of sutras or what you can call techniques or formulas which makes our mathematical calculation simple, easy, and faster. Now comes the point, how many sutras or how many formulas do we have? So we have 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Sutras means formulas. Sub-sutras means sub-formulas. Correct. So in total, we have 29 sutras and sub-sutras. And with the help of these 29 only, you can solve entire mathematics. That includes your arithmetic part, your algebra, your trigonometry, your geometry, your calculus, your conics, and even organic chemistry. So you can see how wide scope Vedic mathematics has. So it's not only simple arithmetic operations. It is far, far beyond that. Correct. Any questions now? SB. Shilpa? Is it Shilpa?
हाँ.
Okay. So.
Hello.
Yes.
हाँ. Yeah, clear.
Okay. So now comes a point. Why Vedic mathematics? Okay, I'll share this slide. So he's Bharti Krishna Tiraji, Govardhan Peeth, and a collection of techniques, sutras. So this all notes you can download. I'll share you the link. A point arises, why should we do Vedic mathematics? Why is it so important? Yes, anyone? Why to do Vedic mathematics? Yes, Dr. Kaur, you were correct earlier. So you can repeat if you want.
It makes it very easy.
It makes the calculations easy. Okay. As per the definition only, this is there. Yes or no? Prachi? Now, very first advantage. We can say, why should we use Vedic mathematics? So what are the uses of Vedic mathematics? So the very first is, it increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this? Yes, how many of you can believe this? That your speed will increase 10 to 15 times faster within few minutes. Okay, have you read this statement earlier? Kahin pada hai? Yes, Vedic maths increases our speed. सोनू पढ़ा है आपने? प्राची?
जी सर.
कभी पढ़ा है कि स्पीड 10 to 15 टाइम फास्टर हो जाती है?
हाँ जी.
क्यों होती है?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हमें इसमें मतलब बहुत हम लोग फॉर्मूलाज की हेल्प से बहुत कम टाइम में ही सॉल्व कर पाते हैं, तो हमारा टाइम सेव हो जाता है.
So, कम टाइम में सॉल्व क्यों कर पाते हैं? यही तो क्वेश्चन है.
क्योंकि हम लोग टेक्निक्स के थ्रू सॉल्व करते हैं, इसलिए.
मैथ्स में
due to increasing the mental ability. Our mental calculation is fast due to these techniques.
What else? उसके अलावा anything else you would like to add, anyone? Okay, I'll give you. See, the very first reason is, let me ask you a very simple question. How do you write? You write from left side to right hand side. Correct?
Yes.
How do you read a paper? Read a paper, a book, anything. It is again left to right. Now, just you are sitting at your home or anywhere. Just see in front of you, there might be a cupboard, there might be anything placed. So the first instance, you will see the things placed on left hand side and then towards the right. This will happen because your eyes and your brain is coordinating in the same manner. So everything works like this only, left to right, left to right. So the question arises, why mathematics calculations right to left? Yes, Prachi, you're a maths teacher. So why do we do maths then right to left? Agar hum English, Hindi, social science, we all do left to right. So why mathematical calculation right to left? Yes, Sonu? See, the more you'll answer, more I can give you knowledge. अगर पूछोगे नहीं कुछ तो how will I know कि आपको ये समझ आया ये नहीं आया? बताइए. बोलिए शिल्पा.
मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
मतलब लेफ्ट टू राइट करते हो मैथ्स कि राइट टू लेफ्ट करते हो?
राइट टू लेफ्ट.
क्यों करते हो जब सारी इंग्लिश भी वैसे करते हैं लेफ्ट टू राइट, हिंदी भी लेफ्ट टू राइट, एनी लैंग्वेज यू टॉक अबाउट लीव उर्दू ओनली. सो व्हाई मैथ्स अपोजिट? Nobody has a reason. We never thought about it. But I'll tell you, this is a reason why your mental speed is slow. When you talk about कि mentally we cannot solve the answers, the reason behind is this only. And today you will observe that when you calculate from left to right, your speed will automatically increase. So this is the first reason in Vedic mathematics. You can solve either from left to right or right to left. Means you will be independent of the direction. And when you will be independent of the direction, your speed would be increasing. So this is the factor why your speed increases. See, we all talk about positive things. Yes, it increases the speed. But what will happen if somebody asks you, why does it increases? You should know the technicalities. You should know the basics behind that. And to become a good teacher, you should always be ready to answer why, how. And similarly, today, it is your duty to ask me why and how. Because if you will not ask from me, students will not leave you. The moment you will start taking their class, they'll ask why, how. Got it? Because both maths and Vedic maths both have techniques. It's okay. They call it formulas, you call it sutras. So this was the first reason why your speed increases. Okay. Second important reason. What happens? So all are females, so you will be able to understand it more easily. What happens when your maid is absent? When your maid is not present, are you able to do work faster or you become more slow? Yes, Prachi. Sonu. Yes, doctor. When we are doing our work ourselves, तब फास्ट होते हैं या किसी से करवाते हैं तो फास्ट होते हैं?
When we do ourselves, it becomes faster.
So that means independently. When you work independently, you are always fast because the way you have to do, you know it. And whenever you are dependent on something, you'll always be slow. Now, maths is like that only. If you are able to do the calculations without paper, without pen, that means you are independent of any physical thing. And believe me, in Vedic math, most of the calculations you will be doing without paper, without pen. So you are faster. because you are not dependent on anything. You don't need a paper, you don't need a pen. Your mind is working, and that enhances your speed. That is the reason why speed increases. Correct. Third reason for it. Now, just now I said most of the calculations you do mentally. So when you are doing the calculations mentally, that means some part of the calculation you will be keeping in your intellect. What will happen? Both your right brain and left brain, they start working or they get activated. Generally, we say, okay, you tell me who are the people or who are those people who have their right brain active, and who are those who have their left brain active? Yes, Sonu, who has got left brain active?
तो जिनकी मैथमेटिक्स स्ट्रांग होती है, लॉजिकल थिंकिंग स्ट्रांग होती है, उनके लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिव होते हैं.
ओके.
और जिनके पास क्रिएटिविटी होती है, उनका राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है.
ओके. यस प्राची. शिल्पा.
यस सर.
हाँ बताइए प्राची.
वही सर जो मैडम ने बताया.
ये चलता है पेपर में.
वही लेफ्ट वालों का राइट ब्रेन वर्क करता है, राइट हैंड वालों का लेफ्ट ब्रेन ज्यादा वर्क करता है. अपोजिट.
इसलिए यही सुनना चाह रहा. इसका मतलब ओके मैं बताता हूँ. यस शिल्पा, who has got right brain active and who has got left brain active?
Those who write with left hand, they have active their right brain. And
Okay.
those who are writing, they have naturally use their left brain.
Okay, इसका मैं आंसर देता हूँ. Yes, Dr. Kaur, what do you think? As a doctor, what do you think? Who has got left brain active and who has got right brain active?
Is the handedness which tells a lot. If you are right-handed, it's right brain active. And
Sure.
if left-handed, it's left brain active.
Okay, I was not expecting this answer from a doctor. Let me just ask you one simple question to all of you. जब बच्चा छोटा होता है तो क्या दादियां, मदर इन लॉज आपकी या मदर्स, डू दे अलाउ द चाइल्ड टू राइट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड? वो फोर्सिबली उनको राइट में नहीं कन्वर्ट करा देती? तो इसका मतलब दुनिया में लेफ्ट तो कोई विलिंगली तो कर ही नहीं पाता. सो दैट मींस ऑल ऑफ देम हैव देयर लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिव. राइट ब्रेन किसी का भी नहीं है. It is same like you are talking about the same thing like रात को नाखून नहीं काटने. See, it was that when the time we didn't have light. तो रात को अंधेरा होता था तो हमने पत्थर से काटने होते थे और then they used to say don't cut it, लग जाएगा. But आज की डेट में since we have light, we have nail cutters, so it's not a problem. Same is the case. You just tell me even one single mother, one single grandmother who is interested that his child or grandchild should write with the left hand. No one allows any time. Please understand. And brain activation is not with that. It is not associated anyway with left hand writing or right hand writing. It is the qualities. And people, the kids or the children who are logically strong. So Sonu was correct. Those who are logically stronger, who have this query every time, why, who, why? You might have seen in the class, there are certain set of students who always ask why. You tell them one line, they'll say why. And there are certain people who are relaxing at the back or in the front, who are interested in their artistic skills, in their musical skills, or in the creativity. So those have their right brain active. It is all the qualities that make brain active. But in Vedic maths, we go so fast and we try to do mentally everything. That is the reason why both the brains get activated. Today, I'll give you an example. I'll show you how your both brains will start working simultaneously, and you'll experience, you'll observe yourself. And then we do have certain exercises, just simple exercise. I would tell you multiplication with 2. If you go by that way, you will start.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मेरी दोनों बेटियां लेफ्ट हैंड से ही लिखती है. मैंने बड़ी वाली को तो बहुत कोशिश की, उसके टीचर ने भी, बट वो राइट से लिख ही नहीं पाई. और सेम मेरी छोटी बेटी भी लेफ्ट से ही लिखती है. फिर मैंने ट्राई किया और एक बात को छोड़ दिया, वो नहीं यूज करती है. उसके पापा भी लेफ्ट से लिखते हैं, वो दोनों भी लिखती है.
मैंने आपकी बात
मतलब मैंने कोशिश किया और मैंने छोड़ दिया. सिर्फ मैं ही अपने घर में राइट हैंड से लिखती हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम उनके वर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैंड से ही ज्यादा चलते हैं. राइट हैंड उनका यूज मैंने देखा कि ऑटोमेटिक ही उनका लेफ्ट यूज होता है. काफी टाइम ऐसे.
मैं आई टोटली एग्री टू योर बॉय, पर आपने ये जज कैसे कर लिया कि वो लॉजिकली स्ट्रॉन्गर है? लेफ्ट हैंड से लिख रही हैं, हाउ यू जज दैट दे आर लॉजिकली स्ट्रॉन्गर ऑल्सो? बताएं.
सर आवाज नहीं है.
आप आवाज आ रहा है मेरा बाकियों को?
अब आई, अब आई.
I am asking, how did you judge that they are logically stronger?
नहीं सर, मैंने ये नहीं कहा. मैंने बस एक एग्जांपल शेयर किया अपना, कि उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ. हमने कोशिश किया बट वो चेंज नहीं, वो लेफ्ट से ही कंफर्टेबल थी, तो फिर हमने छोड़ दिया. और सेम सेकंड चाइल्ड भी मेरा वैसे ही हुआ, जैसे वो फर्स्ट की जैसे वो भी लेफ्ट ही है.
That is good. See, now with change of time, people are accepting. But अपनी मम्मा से पूछना, अपनी मदर से पूछना, क्या उनके टाइम उन्होंने अलाउ किया था?
नहीं, वो अभी भी मुझे ही डांटती है, बट मैं इग्नोर करती हूँ.
मैं वही बात बोल रहा हूँ. तो it is not related to anywhere with brain. Correct. That is one thing which automatically, see, there are certain sets where we don't have any, you say we cannot have a particular thing, yes, this will be, but the brain activity, it is always, it depends on the qualities, right? And I'll show you today that how your both brains will start working. So with Vedic maths, the best part is your both brains start activated. And when your brains are activated, your speed is going to go very fast, right? And that's the main motive. You should understand how your speed gets increased. And with all these features, and the last reason, there are several other reasons also, but yes, these are the major important reason. Now, okay, जब वो दोनों लड़ती हैं बच्चे, तो या कोई दो बच्चे लड़ रहे होते हैं, तो why do we say प्लीज पहले शांत हो जाओ? Why? Then we'll discuss. Or see, this is, we want them to come into the current situation. There is always a term called visualization. We always have a complaint that our students don't observe things, don't focus, don't concentrate. करेक्ट. हम ये 3-4 प्रॉब्लम्स लेते हैं हमेशा, बट क्या हमने आज तक कोई टेक्निक बताई उनको हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स, हाउ टू फोकस ऑन द थिंग्स? डेफिनेटली वी ऑलवेज रिलेट दिस टू एजुकेशन, बट हैव वी एवर गिवन एनी टेक्निक टू देम? तो कैसे करेंगे ऑब्जर्व? रट्टा मार के?
नो.
बताइए आप, हैव यू गिवन एनी वन टेक्निक हाउ टू फोकस ऑन एजुकेशन, ऑन द स्टडीज? And everyone has this problem. Why? Because you have a complaint. He is going for the games. He is good at that. But the moment he comes back and starts studying, he says, "मैं bore हो गया. I'm not able to focus." The difference is lack of interest. Now, what is the reasons? Visualization. Now, whenever you do something, okay, just a simple question. 5, 7, 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 1. Just tell me how to attempt this. I don't want the answer. I just want how you will attempt this. Yes, Sonu.
सर अभी तो जब मुझे वैदिक मैथ्स नहीं आता है तो मैं जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रोसेस है उसके थ्रू ही इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी।
भूल जाओ वैदिक मैथ्स। जो
Yes.
मैंने आपसे क्या कहा, जो सो आप करेंगे 5, 7, 6 यहाँ पे नीचे लिख देंगे, करेक्ट?
हाँ हाँ
ओके, डन। यस प्राची। शिल्पा,
सर एक एक
हाँ,
डिजिट
ऐसे
से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा,
बस
पहले
यही,
फर्स्ट से फिर सेकंड से।
यस यही करेंगे। पहले 1 से करेंगे, 576 आ गया, फिर 2 से करेंगे, फिर 3, फिर 1 से करेंगे एंड देन ऐड, करेक्ट?
थ्री स्टेप नीचे 3 स्टेप करके एडिशन
3
करेंगे।
multiplication and 1 addition. Yes, Dr. Kaur. So you will also repeat the same or any other process you have?
No, same process.
Yes, Shilpa.
सेम प्रोसेस।
पक्का?
हाँ पक्का।
आज सारे ये याद रख लो, आपने ये बोला था, थोड़ी देर में सब बदल जाओगे। The reason behind it is, I'll tell you, it's not, now what you're doing is, whatever number you have, same is the case with the students, whatever math teacher will give the number, they'll just write and do the things without observing. See, there are certain situations when the numbers become very easy, but we never observe. And this will give you how to observe things. So when I say visualization, so you'll start visualizing numbers. Does this number has any property? What does that have? Then you'll find a reason behind it.
11 into 11 square
Then,
121 में।
then you'll have a logic associated. कि logic क्या है इसके पीछे? So this, if anyone has in these 3 features, अगर आपको लाइफ में ये 3 चीजें आ गई, visualization, reasoning and logic, your life will entirely change. Now, what does that mean? That means you'll wherever you are, in whatever situation of life you are, you'll first visualize why this situation arised. Am I correct? Am I wrong? So then you'll find a reason and then you apply logics. So that is why I often call it as life-changing process. And if you have seen most of the holy institutions, when I say holy institutions, all like Art of Living, all the institutions, your some name I'm skipping. So all of these institutions who used to teach yoga and meditation, why they were teaching these things? To bring peace, so that with yoga, your body should also be comfortable, remain perfect. So it was yoga used to heal body, meditation to heal soul. Now a question arises, what about academic performance? So for that, Vedic maths has been introduced. So you might have observed all such holy institutions जो गुरुकुल की तरह परंपराओं को चलाती हैं, वो सबने वैदिक मैथ्स ऐड कर लिया है. All of them have added, and it's not in India. Leave India, United Kingdom, USA, New Zealand, Australia. You name any country of the world. Every country is accepting, adapting all such things because Vedic mathematics is acting like a magic to the students. Right. So this is a life-changing process. Without telling the student, you have to do this, he automatically changes himself. Right? Nature badalti jati hai with their own pace. Any question now? Yes, Prachi, do you have any question? There are 4 points. How does or why the speed increases? Very first was, हाँ बोलो.
सर ये था कि जैसे जैसा आपने बताया 5 से 7 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 to 1, तो ये जैसे जब बच्चों को हम प्रैक्टिकली करवाते हैं, उनको मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया जाता है तो उनको ये पूरा डिटेल करना पड़ता है, बट हमने अगर वैदिक मैथ से इनको सिखाया, वो तो डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखेंगे, फिर वो स्टेप तो लिखेंगे नहीं, फिर और बच्चे इससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे। कि तुमने तो डायरेक्ट आंसर हमें सिखाया, पर जब उनको लॉन्ग टर्म लिखना पड़ेगा एग्जाम में, स्कूल में, तो फिर इसका सॉल्यूशन कैसा रहेगा?
आपका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं इसको और डिफाइन करता हूं, आप कुछ पॉइंट्स भूल गए। आपका पॉइंट ये है कि स्कूल में हर क्वेश्चन के मार्क्स जो हैं वो स्टेप वाइज दिए जाते हैं, ठीक है, स्टेप बेस्ड। और यहाँ पे हम स्टेप्स ही खत्म कर देंगे वैदिक मैथ्स में, नो स्टेप्स, तो मार्क्स कैसे मिलेंगे? करेक्ट, कंफ्यूजन भी है,
Yes.
मार्क्स भी है। आर वी कंसर्न्ड अबाउट intelligence of our students or just getting those marks in the school only? अगर मार्क्स का ही था तो इतने सालों में राइट फ्रॉम क्लास 1 मैथमेटिक्स स्टार्ट हुआ, क्या वो स्कूल के मैथ से 100% ले आए सभी बच्चे? फर्स्ट पॉइंट। सेकंड पॉइंट, व्हाई डू वी सेंड आवर किड्स? आपने नोट किया होगा 11th 12th आज की डेट में मैक्सिमम बच्चे अटेंड ही नहीं करते, because at that time they are going to quota or some educational institutions, coaching centers what you call as, and they are studying for their entrance examinations. So क्या 11th 12th वो उस टाइम छोड़ रहे होते हैं? See, everything is related. Very first thing is पहले वो बच्चे को समझ तो आए, हम जबरदस्ती एक काम करा दें, रटा के हम स्टेप्स करा रहे हैं, वो कौन सा मायने रखता है? थर्ड थिंग इज दे उन्हीं क्लासेस में एनटीएससी एग्जाम्स होते हैं, स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम्स होते हैं, ओलंपियाड्स होते हैं, तब हमारा कोई भी बच्चा सिलेक्ट नहीं होता है। व्हाई? जबकि वो चाहे टॉपर भी होता है स्कूल का। द रीजन बिहाइंड इज दे डोंट नो टाइम मैनेजमेंट। See, school में there are limitations, and if I agree on your part, if I go by your part, then 40 students are in every class. 30 of them are going for after school tuition to the same teacher, and even after that 10 are failing. So what does this mean? Either one thing, maths is so tough it cannot be done, so it should be removed from the school syllabuses. Second, the teacher is not teaching, because सुबह भी क्लास में भी उसने पढ़ाया, शाम को भी उसी ने पढ़ाया, और फिर भी 10 फेल हो गए। I don't owe both the statements. See, maths cannot be avoided. Very first thing we need to understand, can we avoid mathematics in our life? No, because right in the morning when you get up, you start with mathematics until the day ends. And similarly, maths teachers, the teachers are teaching, but the point is only we have not upgraded our knowledge. When did we study last? When did we try to learn something last? When we completed our degree, the day after that we never open our books. वो तो रद्दी वाला ले गया। किसी की books, you tell me any one of you who has still kept their +2 books or the last degree books, सब रद्दी में जा चुकी हैं। So when we don't open a book after we get a job or we start with a business, we never look for enhancing our knowledge. How can we think that every student will get good marks? That is a problem with basic problem with every one of us. The last and the most important part, till now Vedic maths was not introduced in the schools, so it was only mathematics. Now it is being introduced parallelly. तो एक टीचर मैथ्स का होगा, एक वैदिक मैथ्स को होगा, तो कोई भी क्रॉस नहीं होगा कि मैं आपने वैदिक मैथ्स से सॉल्व कर दिया तो ये क्वेश्चन कट, नो। बट yes, it is taking time. See, the policy was implemented in India for 2020 NEP, National Education Policy 2020, but still it is not active. Still it has not been introduced in every part of the country. चल रहा है धीरे धीरे, करेक्ट। सो ये भी चला जाएगा। सबसे बड़ी बात, why do you think that student will get confused? क्या स्टूडेंट ने खुद कहा कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूं?
नहीं सर, मैं छोटे बच्चों की बात कर रही हूँ, जैसे
कौन से?
थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे हैं,
मैं
फोर्थ है,
मैं
बड़े
आपको
तो समझ
नर्सरी का मैं आपको प्री नर्सरी का भी एग्जांपल दे सकता हूँ। एंड आई एम टीचिंग थर्ड क्लास स्टूडेंट्स। मेरी वीडियो देखना, थर्ड क्लास बच्चे का एक दिन में समझ जाता है। इफ यू वांट टू सी दिस चैलेंज, आप 10 टीचर्स को पढ़ाएं, साथ में उसी में फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चों को बिठा दीजिए, सेकंड क्लास थर्ड क्लास के बच्चों को। टीचर से जल्दी बच्चा समझ जाएगा, क्योंकि टीचर में यहां रहेगा, मुझे तो आता है, मैं एडिशन क्यों करूं, मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्यों करूं, आई हैव दिस नॉलेज, एंड दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। I'll give you the example of, I also run a chain of schools, preschools. एक बच्चा 6 महीने का माँ बाप ने डे केयर में छोड़ दिया था मेरे बैंगलोर के स्कूल में। जब वो 2 साल का हुआ, उसे 6 लैंग्वेजेस आती थी। क्या उसे 6 लैंग्वेजेस हमने सिखाई? नहीं। ही अडेप्टेड इंग्लिश, हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा। दिस इज द पावर। स्टूडेंट, जिन बच्चों की आप बात कर रहे हैं थर्ड क्लास का, कभी चेक करना, वही बच्चा, उसको 40 मूवीज सीन बाय सीन याद है। उसको, उसी बच्चे को जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं, उसको 60 मूवीज के लिरिक्स वर्ड टू वर्ड याद है। तो फिर आपकी बुक कैसे, मैथ्स क्यों नहीं याद होगी? सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ये है, लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। आप मुझे बता दो, ऐसा जो बच्चा आपको ऐसा लगता है उससे पूछो, मूवीज बताएगा। एक्चुअली हम एफर्ट करना नहीं चाहते बच्चों पे, और उनका ठीकरा हम फोड़ देते हैं, उन्हीं को नहीं आता। इट्स नॉट। बच्चे तो छोटे बच्चे, किड्स आर जस्ट लाइक अ फ्रेश माइंड। इट वाज आवर ड्यूटी। हमने क्या किया? उन्हें डर दिखा दिया, मैथ्स का हैवक दिखा दिया, स्ट्रेस दिखा दिया, एंड दिस हैज बीन इंड्यूस्ड इन देयर माइंड्स। रादर अगर हम ये कहते, मैथ्स इज द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट थिंग, बिकॉज हर क्वेश्चन का सिंपल एक आंसर आता है, not like other subject which may have different answers. Just give me 1 second.
लैपटॉप चल। अच्छा बताएगा वो सर।
So it all depends, right? So any doubt, any other question you have? Any question, Dr. Kar?
Nothing. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with then calculations. So the first topic of the day is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Anjali ma'am, 50 minutes late.
It's before.
No issues. Chalo. So the first topic, so take out your paper and pen, and the first topic would be multiplication. Voice disturbance with the multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Yes, Prachi, कुछ कहना है?
नो सर।
Okay. So please write down this. I'll be asking the question on this only. Now, 11 is a very magical number. Now, why do I say it is a magical number? Because If you multiply 11 with any single digit number, that single digit number is repeated. 5, 55. 6, 66. 3, 33. Right. So that is why I said it is a very magical number with which प्राची प्लीज अपना म्यूट कर लो, पीछे बहुत बात हो रहा है. And does this magic? Yes. Vidya, Himani, you just had a word with Dr. Rati, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Okay, we are starting. Now you can write down this multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So we'll be starting this topic. Now, does this magic continue when you are doing 2 digits? Okay, how will you calculate 11 into 12? What is the answer? Fast. Yes,
132.
132. How? Dr.
11 to 12 is 132.
Perfect. तो आपने ऐसे किया. Now, so if this number would have been 87, then okay, I'll tell you, no issues. See, let's see the magic now. Whenever you are multiplying with 11, whatever is a number, just remember first digit as it is, last digit as it is. Always first digit as it is, last digit as it is, and in between add the two numbers. So what is 1 plus 2? 3.
3.
Finish. So this can be done in a second.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is 22 into 11? Fast. Yes, everyone will have to answer now.
2, 1.
Himani,
31.
this is simple.
31. 231.
No. Himani, this is as simple as anything. See, 12. If you are multiplying 11 with 12, 1 goes as it is, 2 goes as it is, in between add the 2. Similarly, 2 as it is. What is 2 plus 2? 4. And 2 again. So 242. शिल्पा सब्जी वाले की आवाज आ रही है पीछे से.
हाँ.
बंद करिए. Okay. 24 into 11 क्या होगा? Yes.
Sir, I can't understand it properly.
264.
ये देखिए प्राची नंबर लिखिए 22. पहला डिजिट क्या है? चलिए मैं अलग अलग डिजिट लेता हूं. ये लीजिए 32. फर्स्ट डिजिट क्या है? अब फर्स्ट डिजिट 2 है.
Then 4.
मैम ये 2 ये क्या डिजिट है?
24 में से 2 as it is, 4 as it is.
तो इन बिटवीन क्या आएगा? 2 plus 4 क्या होता है?
6.
That's all. This is the answer.
Yes.
ये देखिए 32. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2. अब इसको दूसरी तरीके से करिए. मेंटली कैसे करते हैं आप? 36. So
396.
Very good. Yes, Shilpa, are you getting? Yes, Himani, now are you understanding?
Yes.
Don't say you cannot do calculations. Maths is very easy. Only you need to understand the pattern. Okay, 14. So what is the answer? 14 into 11.
154.
154. Good. So yes, Dr. Boy. Anjali, आपको
Hello.
Yes. Okay. 43 into 11.
473.
Perfect. Yes, Himani.
Yes, sir. 473. Oh,
Very good. Okay. Now 36 into 11.
396.
396. अच्छा, अगर ये कैलकुलेटर पे करना होता तो फिर इजी था. Who is taking more time? You or calculator?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. 52 into 11.
572.
Yes, Dr. Kaur. Shilpa.
572.
Anjali.
Yes. Yes, yes, I agree.
Okay. 45 into 11.
495.
495.
Very good. Prachi, that means you understood everything now.
Yes.
72 into 11.
Yes.
792.
792.
52. Okay.
To 11.
16 to 11. 660.
660. Perfect. Yes, everybody got it?
Yes.
अब थोड़ा सा बेसिक समझाता हूं. See, when it is 36, it is 11. In actual, what you were doing, you were writing 3, a line, 3 plus 6, 9, and a line. Now, these lines are called as balancing lines. Now, what is that balancing line? See, physically, it is not there. Mentally, you need to understand, or when you start with Vedic maths, you need to understand. The balancing lines means in every place, not the last one, but other every place, you should have only one digit. ये कैसे आया? How I am saying one digit? Do you remember place values?
Yes, sir.
So place values, how many digits do you have at unit place?
1, 1.
1.
What about tens position? How many digits?
1.
Yes, Dr. Kaur, how many digits at unit place?
1.
Everywhere 1.
Yes, this is what we need to understand. Sometimes we say 2 over here. So 2 is actually total number, not this. You can always remember, or if you have to make students understand, make it understand like this. One chair, only one student can sit. Correct? So similarly, at one position, only one digit can be there. So this is the concept which is called as balancing line. If you understand this concept, 50% of mathematics is done. And Vedic maths, 90% of Vedic maths can be done because everything can be worked out with these two parallel lines. I'll show you more. Now, why I explained you this? See, 36 into 11 is 396. But what is 37 into 11? Yes, now tell me, Prachi, Sonu.
Yes, sir. 407.
407. Yes, Dr. Kaur. Shilpa, what do you get? What was the answer? So see, 3, 10, 7.
Yes.
Now the question arises, can we have two digits here?
No.
So this was the reason I said balancing line. So what is the purpose of this is to maintain balance. So this extra digit moves further and you can say 407. Now mentally, how you will calculate? See, mentally, if you just observe, my brain says 3 as it is, but immediately the second brain thinks, no, I am getting a carryover. Please remember, when you are adding two digits, the carryover will be always 1. So instead of first I was writing 1, oh no, 4. And what is left? 0. Last digit as it is. If you try to do this mentally, you'll be better. So what is 64 into 10? 11, sorry.
704.
Yes, Himani, Prachi, Dr. Kaur, Shilpa. Everybody silent.
704.
704.
समझ आ गया?
Plus 4 times 704. Yes, sir.
कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
कहीं भी कोई क्वेश्चन हो? See, हमने we just started with 2-digit numbers. We have to go till 20-digit number today. And I promise you all would be able to do. You know Shakuntala Devi, numerologist. She calculated 40 digits together. So 20 तो I'll make you do today. Half level पहुंचा देंगे आज. Okay. So what is 67 into 11? Now paper is not required. So you should try to do it mentally.
737.
Perfect. 737. Yes, Shilpa, are you getting?
Yes, yes, yes.
So answer भी
737.
दो. Dr. Kaur, Prachi.
Yes, sir.
चलिए बढ़िया. Okay. 83 into 11.
913.
Yes, Himani.
913.
Yes, sir. 913.
तो आप तो बोलते हो मुझे आता नहीं कैलकुलेशन.
Sir, actually, I just joined us, so I asked. He means, पता नहीं क्या चल रहा होगा.
नहीं, पहले we were just understanding what is Vedic mathematics, how is it to be done. So we just started calculations. Yes, Anjali. Are you
Yes,
getting?
Yes.
आपकी आवाज हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, आप चैट पे लिख क्या कीजिए. Okay. So what is 78 into 11?
858.
858. देखो 858 बोलोगे ना तो टाइम लगेगा आपको. 858 फास्ट.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11?
1089.
1089.
1089. Perfect. So who is faster, you or calculator? In calculations में तो आप calculator से बहुत आगे हो क्योंकि try to press on the calculator, before that you are giving me answers. Okay. So any doubt between number 11 to 99?
No, sir.
Done? Chalo. So 2-digit numbers with 11 you can do easily now. Correct? What about
Sir.
3-digit? 1, 2, 3 into 11. 1, 2, 3 into 11.
1353.
Yes. See now how to do it. First digit as it is. Then 1 plus 2. It is 3. Then 2 plus 3. It is 5. And 3 again. So see, mentally you can understand this. 1, 2, 3, 5. Got it? Yes. Anyone who is not able to understand this? Richa, Anjali.
In this
Understood.
3-digit calculation, sir, we have to add 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3.
Yes. Sonu, why you have to add 2 digits?
सर एक्चुअली वो मुझे लगा कि ये जैसे 1 वाला सेम नंबर आ जाएगा, फिर 1 plus 2, फिर 2 plus 3 and then again 3.
See, that is what I asked. I told you in the beginning only. Teacher वही जो who will ask student वही जो बार-बार पूछे what, why, how, and this you all missed. See, why this is important? Why we are adding only 1 and 2? Why not 1 plus 2 plus 3? because
सर एक डिजिट बढ़ गया तो नेचुरली आंसर का भी एक डिजिट बढ़ना ही है ना,
वो बात
मल्टीप्लिकेशन है।
नहीं, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. आई एम सेइंग why I am adding 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3. Why not 1 plus 2 plus 3? This is my question.
सर सीक्वेंस में ही मतलब जो है वैसे ही ऐड करेंगे.
नहीं, please understand.
नो सर,
This is related to the series. We have 2 ones. That was the reason we were adding two digits at one time. When we'll be having 3 ones, we'll be adding 3 digits. That will come. अभी इसके बात करेंगे. So this was good question, Himani.
Thank you, sir.
See, this you should ask. क्योंकि अगर ये क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं पूछा होता तो जब मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन देता 111 से सब गलत कर जाते.
Okay,
Correct.
sir.
So this is the reason you should always ask every time why, how, and this being 2 ones, series of 1. So that is why we can add only 2 digits at one time. So first is 1, then 1 plus 2, then 2 and 3, then 3. So you can remember this way also, or you can do horizontal also.
Sure, one thing I want to ask means, like, first of all, we always start from right side, like we always write 3 first. So while doing this addition, then we will do the middle one. Means, first of all, I will add 2 plus 3, and then 1
Now,
plus 2.
so Himani, you joined very late. The point was that only. Now answer me. How do you write on paper? You and Anjali, you write from left to right, correct? Left से right ही लिखते हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
ये पढ़ते भी left to right है?
But in maths,
Why?
right.
Why?
This is how we are taught in school.
बस यही आंसर की एक्सपेक्टेशन थी मुझे. तो मैं वही पूछ रहा था उनसे, when did we last try to enhance our knowledge? वो जो बुक्स हमने पढ़ी थी वो रद्दी में जा चुकी. See, this is what happens with us. We just study or we learn something to increase our qualification till we get a job or till we start our own business. क्या उसके बाद knowledge की नहीं जरूरत? So very first question was, why do you do it from right to left only? And I give an open challenge because I give seminars in different colleges, schools, and universities. Even math teachers, they just try to explain, sir, unit place, tens position 100. But when I give this example, और अभी जब conclude करेंगे ये, you will observe that you are much faster when you're doing from left to right. उसका कारण भी I'll share you the answer related to that and why it is fast. This is very small number. Let bigger number comes. Then I'll show you why and how you are fast. So it is only that, yes, we were given by the Britishers this method. We have been adopting this method. We have forgotten our ancient history. कि हमें तो उनसे बहुत ज्यादा मालूम था. चेस हमने दी, ऑर्बिट सन का हमने दिया, मोक्ष पथ करके वो जो स्नेक्स एंड लेडर्स है वो हमने दिया. तो आज हम फॉलो क्यों कर रहे हैं वही? We should have been boosting of this subject rather, you know, एक बहुत बड़ा आईनी है. Indians are far behind in implementation of Vedic mathematics. So this subject was written by an Indian guru. Still, we are far behind.
सन का डिस्टेंस हमने बताया सर अर्थ से.
Yes.
वो ये
सब कुछ तो जीरो हमारा तो आपको बताऊंगा ना कि क्या. चलो, तो हमें we have to go for two digits, right? Similarly, now what is 321 into 11 then? Verbal though, don't use paper and pen. Start verbal.
3531. 3531.
3531.
Okay. So 3 पहले बिना उसके 363 into 11.
3993.
Yes, Prachi, are you getting now?
3993.
454.
4994.
94.
Okay, now we'll come 278 into 11.
27.
अब देखो, just
Two.
observe.
3.
पहले एक बार ऑब्जर्व कर लो.
2358.
3058.
3058.
देखो, अभी शुरू में आप अगर ज्यादा नहीं कर पाते तो ये लो 2 9 15 8. So that means this will go here and further go here. So 3 0 5
3058.
8. Correct. You can use this one step, but how many steps you are saving now? Otherwise, this is the procedure: 278, one time multiplication, second time multiplication, third time addition, and this you are going by just adding. Okay. 5 6 8 into 11. Yes, Shilpa, answer.
5 6.
6248.
6248. Perfect. Now, see, understand
6248.
this. Understand this way. First is, I said first number as it is, but no, I observed that there is a carryover coming. So I'll increase this. Now, 6, 5 and 6 was 11. So I was supposed to write 1. But again, I observed there is a carryover coming. Finish.
6248.
Right. This is how you have to train your brain. You have to do both the things simultaneously. This was what I was saying. Right brain, left brain activation. One brain is thinking, other is observing what is coming next. Correct. Okay, 6 8 5. Now, the 7, then 5.
7555.
7535.
देखो सोनू, 6 के
Sorry.
बजाय 7 कर दिया because one carryover is coming. 6 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. But no, one carryover is further coming. 5 3 5.
35.
7535.
Perfect. 7 8 1 into 11. Yes, Himani, are you able to do?
Yes, sir. But with copy pen.
कोई बात नहीं. देखो, that is not the
Eight.
problem.
8591.
Yes, sir.
8591. Okay. 6 7 7 into 11.
8437.
8437. Perfect. Take.
9768.
9768. Perfect.
68.
Okay, so what is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
999.
999 into 11. Yes, Anjali, you're getting.
10989.
अब तो बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया प्राची.
Yes, sir.
चलो बढ़िया. Anyone who still has a doubt, any doubt you can ask now before we move further.
सर ये सिर्फ हम 11 से ही कर सकते हैं, जैसे बाकी नंबर्स नहीं
मैथ्स के
मल्टीप्लाई हो सकते
अरे
हैं.
एक मिनट प्राची, मैथ्स कितने सालों में किया था? अभी शुरुआत हुई है, 15 मिनट हुए हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट.
नहीं, हमने डायरेक्ट 11 ही क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया.
उसका आंसर दे देता हूँ. उसका आंसर दे देता हूँ. क्योंकि अभी हमें कोई सूत्र पता नहीं।
अच्छा अच्छा।
और अगर मैं आज पहले संस्कृत का सूत्र बोल देता तो आप भाग जाते। तो बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट भी तो जगाना होता है ना। बच्चों को पहले जादू दिखाया जाता है, उसके बाद उसको पढ़ाना पड़ता है। आप खाना खिलाने से पहले आजकल मोबाइल नहीं देते, दूध पिलाने से पहले टीवी ऑन नहीं करते। तो मुझे भी करना पड़ता है सब कुछ। नो, द लॉजिक इज दिस 11, it will prove so many things. First thing. Second, it is independent of any sutra. Though sutra is there behind it, but without that, understanding that also you can work. और अभी आगे numbers ही आएंगे। चलो, so 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. बोलिए बोलिए, अब तो इजी हो गया। 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Finish.
Yes, sir. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4.
Correct. Any doubt? Yes, हिमानी, हो सकता है ये? शिल्पा,
हाँ बराबर।
बराबर। आवाज से पता चल जाता है मराठी। चलो, 3, 4, 4, 2 into 11.
3 7 8 2 2
3, 7, 8, 6, 2.
एक प्राची रह गया,
7862।
लास्ट का 2 गलत हो गया था, सेकंड लास्ट।
मेरे, हाँ मेरे देखने में वो हो गया।
कोई बात नहीं। यस डॉक्टर कौर, सोनू
Yes, sir.
हो गया,
Yes, sir.
अंजलि, रिचा, एनीवन, एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव प्लीज आस्क। 11 तो बिल्कुल जल्दी हो जाएगा, उसके बाद बड़े नंबर्स आएंगे।
37862.
यस, 6, 8, 7, 5 into 11.
Seven, 5, 6, 2, 5.
7 5 6 2 5।
So 7, 5, इसका मतलब आप पता है कितना ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं अब, क्योंकि अदरवाइज वॉज इट इजी। फर्स्ट इसको 7 किया, देन 6 and 4, 4 आता है, बट आपने 5 कर लिया, देन 15 का 6, दिस 12 का 3। चेक कर लीजिए आप, क्या ये कैलकुलेटर पे इससे जल्दी हो सकता था आपसे? प्रेस करने में भी तो टाइम लगता है। तो हु इज
Sir,
फास्टर?
7, 5, 6, 3, 5 नहीं 7, 5, 6, 2, 5 होगा ना?
सॉरी
2
सॉरी
5 होगा ना सर?
सॉरी, मेरी गलती है, मैं
हाँ
ध्यान नहीं दिया।
वही तो बोला, सही है।
अच्छी बात है। चलिए, 8, 7, 8, 9। शिल्पा आंसर नहीं आया,
हाँ नहीं कर रही हूँ।
इतना स्लो?
हाँ थोड़ा एज हो गया ना अभी।
9, 6, 6, 7, 9.
9 6 6 7 9।
स्टार्टिंग में ज्वाइन
9
नहीं
6
किया ना आपने, इसीलिए उसमें ये स्पेसिफिकली बोला गया था आप जैसों के लिए ही, जो कहते हैं ना एज हो गया, एज हो गया। प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका कितनी एज में बना था? उतनी एज है आपकी? 70 में।
हाँ
KFC का जो पर्सन था उसे सफलता कब मिली? ये 70 साल का जब बना तभी। तो
हाँ
ऐसा नहीं है, डोंट थिंक अबाउट एज ओनली, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट। और इससे ज्यादा आसान कोई चीज नहीं है पढ़ाई में। पढ़ाई में साथ में ऐड कर दिया मैंने।
एक बारी सर बता दीजिए 8 7 8 9 मतलब कैसे करेंगे?
ये देखिए, 8, मैं आपको 2 स्टेप्स में पहले बता रहा हूँ। 8 and 7 15, 7 and 8 15, 8 and 9 17 and 9. So what is this? This will go here 9, this will come here 6, 6, 7, 9. और अगर मेंटली कर रहे हैं तो आपको वही देखना है कि फर्स्ट डिजिट 8 लिखना है, बट नो, why 9 I am writing, because I know I am getting a carry over, because जो कमिंग नंबर है वो कैरी ओवर देगा ही, तो इसलिए 9 लिख लेते हैं हम. And what is the total result? 8 plus 7, 15. 1 already gone. So 5. But again, no, 5 की बजाय फिर 6 लिखते हैं क्योंकि again carry over is coming. Same आगे. Same. So this is how you have to train your brain. You have to do the thing as well as observe what is coming. So 2 activities at the same time using both your right and left brains. Now it is clear. 9687. Very good. So डॉक्टर कौर से बड़ी नहीं है आप, शिल्पा?
हाँ, अच्छा, कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ना चाहिए
जी. Okay. Again, what is the largest 4-digit number?
49999.
So what is the answer? What is 99999?
109989.
109989.
Perfect. Any question you have now? Okay. Same. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? Yes, Himani, try karo. Prachi.
135795.
135795.
Yes, Himani, try. Here there is no carryover, so you can add up.
Yes sir, no carryover, but I'm getting confused. जैसे digit बढ़ रही है ना, मुझे मतलब आपने बताया था कि फर्स्ट डिजिट और लास्ट डिजिट पहले लिख लो, मींस अज्यूम कर लो कि फर्स्ट तो क्या कैरी ओवर से बढ़ जाएगा, बट लास्ट एज इट इज लिख लो.
नहीं, वो पता क्या था, जो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में तो पैसे ही समझाना था ना, अब आप इधर से समझे. पहला डिजिट 1, 1 + 2 3, 2 + 3 5. तो मन में, दिमाग में ही जब चलता रहेगा 7 9 5. करेक्ट. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आउट ऑफ टच नहीं हो आप, आपको सोच में ये आ चुका है कि मेरे को मैथ्स नहीं आता, मैं मैथ्स नहीं कर सकती, तो कोई बात नहीं, एक आधा घंटा एक्स्ट्रा लगा लेंगे, आधे घंटे में परफेक्ट हो जाओगे. आज होमवर्क भी मिलेगा. when we'll do the homework, then you'll find it comfortable कि हो जाएगा. So up till 5 numbers I have told you now, and one thing more additional मैं आपको हिमानी बोल रहा हूँ, किसी भी मैथ्स के टीचर को आप ये क्वेश्चन देना 1 2 3 4 5 into 11, 99.9% will not be able to solve within 1 minute, because this cannot be done mentally. If you are doing 2 steps of multiplication, you are able to do it mentally only because you are using a concept. Otherwise this cannot be done, right? Okay, so if I give you even 20 digits now, then also you can multiply, because you know how to do it. You need just to add the numbers. ये शुरुआत है, ये जस्ट एक कॉन्फिडेंस राइज करने की दिक्कत है कि यस, वैदिक मैथ से मैथ्स किया जा सकता है. The fear we had in our minds, that can be removed. See, what does Vedic maths gives you? It is a journey of transformation from
Sir, its answer is 2673479679762.
Very good. So see, you can do it. अगर आप सोचो तो पेपर पे बिना लिखे भी आप ये कर सकते हो, क्योंकि साथ साथ कैलकुलेशन और प्रैक्टिस इसी की करो कि बिना लिखे करो, तो देन यू विल फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट. अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, when you were solving this fastly, were you not feeling some positive vibes? एक vibe सी अंदर body में जाते हुए, were you not feeling
Yes.
something? So that positivity, joyous feeling होता है, इसे कहते हैं, right? Okay. Now coming back, because और topics भी हैं अभी. Now what was the topic? What we studied? I asked you to write down. So what was the topic? सब भूल गए? Multiplication with 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. थोड़ा धीरे बोल रहे हो. Just answer me now. Where did we do multiplication? Multiplication कहाँ किया हमने?
Mind में.
कैसे माइंड में? बता दो.
ऐड किया हमने, ऐड
ऐड किया. तो बच्चे को समझाना होगा तो क्या कहोगे? ऐड किया या ऐड करो? What exactly adding?
Left to right.
Left to right. क्या ऐड करना है left to right?
Left to right ऐड करते जाना है.
किसको ऐड करना है? You have to be specific. जब बच्चे को समझाएंगे तो क्या
फर्स्ट
समझाएंगे?
नंबर से सेकंड नंबर को ऐड करना है.
Okay. Yes, anyone else who would like to answer? Shilpa?
हाँ वही मैंने बोला ना.
अच्छा आपने बोला. Good.
लेफ्ट से. हाँ.
अच्छा yes हिमानी. अच्छा हिमानी. Yes Dr. Kaur.
It is a 2-digit number. So we take 2 places of the digit and add them.
ऐसे नहीं. Yes, Anjali Goyal, neighbor's number. That is one answer. See now, when a child is in class 3rd or 2nd, when we start with multiplication, the first time you explain 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Does the child understand this cross sign? No. So then the teacher explains 2 added thrice is 6, or 3 plus 3 is 6. And then a definition is derived. Multiplication is repetitive addition.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But kya, my first question was 12 into 11. So did I add 12 11 times?
No.
Did I add it 11 12 times?
No.
So how can you say you added? If added, what you added? See, you should be very particular about what you are saying, because that should make sense and that should be understandable. Correct. So what we added chorus. Okay. So first observation is we added corresponding digits or neighbor digits. What Anjali has written, perfect. Corresponding digits. Why I am saying this? Why? The question was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you added 1 and 5? Did you added 2 and 4? No, you added 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So that is, you are adding corresponding digits, and this should be very much clear in your definition. Got it? Anything second you observe which you never did before? क्या किया ऐसा जो पहले नहीं किया हुआ था? ऐसा हमने क्या कैलकुलेशंस में किया? Yes, Sonu.
We did it from left to right.
Okay. Yes, Imani.
we never did this much digit at a time without using
Prachi?
calculators.
Yes, Anjali. Yes, Dr. Kaur. Richa, no answer. Shilpa.
ये हम लोगों ने जस्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 स्टेप में किया.
Okay. What else? 2 स्टेप में करना तो नहीं, एक नई बात. See, for the first time you started multiplication, you started doing calculation from left to right. And now you know this answer also. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Imani, just try to do your regular pattern. Can you do that mentally? See, there is a difference of understanding. You can calculate this by paper maybe easily, but when you do it mentally, then always left to right is faster rather right to left. Yes, Sonu, try from right to left. Same answer.
Actually, this is what I was getting confused in between because I was doing right to left.
अब मैं बताता हूँ, साइकिल चलाइए कभी,
Yes, sir.
बोट चलाइए, बोट रोकिए, जब आगे से हवा होती है तो क्या होता है, स्लो हो जाती है ना, प्रेशर देना पड़ता है. Then अब देखो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है, ताकि तो आप ऐसे हो, कैलकुलेशन ऐसे मेंटली कैसे कर लेंगे आप? You are getting my point. When your eyes are observing a number, you are reading like this 1 2 3 4 5 और झटका ये लगाते हो कि आपने कैलकुलेट इधर से करना है. So that was the reason why your mental speed was going slow. But when you have to do the same way, now I am seeing this 1 2 3 4 5 and I am doing 1 1 plus 2 3 5 7 9 5. So when you move along with the speed of wind, so आप फास्ट साइकिल चलाते हैं या फास्ट बोट चलाते हैं, ऑपोजिट जाएंगे तो स्लो होंगे ही होंगे. बट यस, ये भी नहीं है कि आप उस तरीके से नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज द पावर, दिस इज द मैजिक ऑफ वैदिक मैथ्स. बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर ओपन विद यू. यू कैन डू बोथ द वेज. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till now? So next is your test. So any question you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, I am giving you test.
Sir, this rule will remain constant that we have to write the first digit and the last digit. Means obviously बात है कि first digit can be changed अगर carry over आता है तो.
This will remain constant with 11 and further I am telling you. जब करा दूंगा तो वो उसको ऐड करूंगा, उससे पहले आपको बता दिया तो आप सोचते रह जाओगे. स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलेंगे. इवन आप देखो मेरे पीछे भी लिखा है, लर्न मैथ्स इजी वे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ऑल माय बुक्स आर मेंशन द सेम वे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Right, will not jump anywhere, but will do everything firmly. Right, so that concepts are clear. हमें रट्टा नहीं मारना, रट्टा ही मारना होता तो मैथ्स ही मार लेंगे. You have to go very easy way. Okay, yes, any question you have, you ask me, otherwise get ready for the test. Shilpa, any question? Prachi, Dr. Kaur, Anjali? Okay, so the first question is 141 into 22. Solve. I'll come back within 1 second. Done? How many of you have done? 3102. Answer is correct, but I want to, how we did it, how we attempted. Yes, Prachi.
No, sir. Please tell me.
तो टेस्ट में मैंने ही बता दिया तो फिर टेस्ट किस बात का? यस अंजलि. यस डॉक्टर कौर, हिमानी. That's why I asked कि कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए. Okay, what was the topic again? Remember, it was multiplication with 11 and its multiple. What is this?
2 into 11.
So can I write 141 into 2 into 11?
Yes, sir.
Finish. 282 into 11. 3102. And you can do it mentally. Second, now few of the students will say, why should I write? I do 141 into 11 into 2. 1551 into 2. 3102. Are you getting now, Prachi? इलेवन का टेबल आता है?
Yes, sir.
11 का मल्टीपल ही तो है ये. क्या आप मैथ्स के पेपर में जो क्वेश्चन क्लास में किया जाता है वही सेम तो नहीं आएगा ना? टीचर थोड़ा सा चेंज तो करेगा ही. So that's what I did. I taught you 11 and I then expected कि 11 के मल्टीपल को आप सॉल्व करो. Yes, शिल्पा.
हाँ, समझा.
समझा. डॉक्टर कौर.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what I did?
Yeah,
Yes.
you split 22 into 2 into 11.
So this is known as observation or what you called visualization. This was the first step today. Visualization. Now you visualize that this number earlier before this workshop, our idea is we just put 141, 22 and we start doing this. But from today, you'll not do this. You'll see this, that you'll start visualization. Every time you'll check, is it multiple of 11 or not? So visualization told you, yes, it is 22. That is 2 into 11 or 11 into 2. So that was your reasoning. And you applied the logic. Why? Because multiplication with 11 is the most easiest thing in mathematics. Now, so this has a role to play. We talked when we were doing, we learned why speed increases because of direction. I showed you. Second, visualization, reasoning, logic. This is there. Application of independency, you saw. Then right brain, left brain, you observe. So that was one reason why I started with 11, to prove every point of Vedic mathematics. Now again a question. Now this is A, this is B method. What do you think is appropriate? Both are correct. I will not say this is wrong. But which is more correct or which is more appropriate? अब क्या लगता है इन दोनों में से? Yes, सोनू.
सर फर्स्ट ए वाला मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा.
Why? Why? Yes, Prachi.
It is more easy.
क्यों? वो भी तो 141 into 11 into 2 उसमें क्या दिक्कत आई?
नहीं, दिक्कत तो कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें भी सर.
टेक्निकली रीजन क्या है? अगर फर्स्ट है तो क्यों? यस प्राची, हिमानी.
फर्स्ट वाला ही लग रहा है सर.
हेड एंड टेल कर रहे हैं हम. मुझे दोनों में डिफरेंस बताइए. यस अंजलि. नो आइडिया. यस डॉक्टर कौर. रिचा. शिल्पा.
उसमें कैसे जो स्टार्टिंग में हमने जैसे शुरू किया वैसे ही उसमें फटाफट हो रहा है. इसमें थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ रहा है.
ये लॉजिक तो नहीं समझ आया. कोई बात नहीं. लेट्स मी एक्सप्लेन यू. सी प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. हमने अभी देखा कि we can multiply 20 digit or any number of digit with 11. So just assume कि if instead of 22 it was 99, so 141 into 9 is easy or 1551 into 9 is easy?
141 into 9 is easy.
Of course, because so always remember, this is to remember that whenever you come across multiple of 11, that means अगर 11 के बाद आपका 22 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, 33 से है, 44 से है, 55 से है, 66 से है, 77 से है, 88 से है, 99 से है. So always multiply multiplier first. Means multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 first and keep 11 with up till last, because 11 is such a number with which you can multiply any big number. Is it clear concept wise? So this was the difficulty. Right, Shilpa? Got it?
Right. Yes, yes.
Yes, Sonu, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Pen de Kartik.
Okay. Same question, 576 into 121. Now how will you solve? Please
11 into
observe.
11.
Said 11 into 11.
Yes, sir. तो पहले 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर अगेन 11 से.
Yes, Prachi, what about you? Yes, Dr. Kaur.
एक बार ये करके दिखा दीजिए.
सारे आंसर देख के रखते हो. See, now again visualize karo. It is just 11 into 11. So that means 576 into 11 is 6336 into 11.
6996.
69696. Finish. And otherwise, this was what you have been doing. Or exercise. When you started with the workshop, I asked you this question only. And at that time, your answer was this. Correct.
Sir, please repeat कीजिए.
What is 121?
11 into 11.
Yes,
11
Prachi.
into 11.
So,
11 into 11.
576 into 11 into 11 है. Correct? 576 into 11 क्या होता है?
6336.
करने दो. करो. अभी किया है आपने. जल्दी करो. यही तो देखना था आपका.
56336.
533
6336.
करेक्ट. 5 भी तो चेंज हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
और फिर उसको 11 से करना हो तो क्या आएगा?
69696.
Yes, now is it
ये
clear
नंबर
enough?
फिर से 11 से.
करेंगे नहीं. 2 11 है ना.
9 9 5619996.
कैसे मैम? 5 कहाँ से आ गया? 6336 में 5 कहाँ से आ रहा है?
कुछ तो कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
क्या? बोलो. लो. 576 into 11 into 11. पहले इन दोनों को करो. क्या आंसर आया? 5 की जगह 6 हो गया. 5 plus 7 is 12, but no, 1 carry over 3. 7 plus 3, 3, 6. अब into 11 रह गया. तो क्या है? 6. 6 और 3 कितना हुआ? 9. फिर 6. फिर
9 9 9 6.
फिर 9 कैसे हो गया? बीच में 2 3 भी तो है मैम. स्टेप वाइज कर लीजिए. ये लीजिए. ठीक है.
69696.
तो देखो माइंड चेंज हो गया ना. The way we were doing before that workshop and now, because now we'll start observing the numbers. या उसे कहते हैं visualization of numbers. Most of the problems you can solve by visualization. और not even छोटे बच्चों की जैसे square roots आता है, cube roots आता है. Now square roots, cube roots you find very difficult. But here by just observation you can solve. वो कल करेंगे हम. कल दिखाऊंगा. Second. Yes, Dr. Kaur, correct. Any doubt in 11 now? Multiplication with 11? Any doubt?
No.
So I'll be sharing you homework. You have to do it. थोड़ा होगा but उसे करो. Practice करोगे तो ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगा. Second, now let's move ahead. Let's multiply 1, 2, 3 with 111. So today it's not 11 only, it is series of 1, series of 2, series of 3. We are doing this. अब मैं आपको इसका डिफरेंस समझाता हूं. पहले 1 2 3 into 11 जब था, so at that time we were doing 1, then 1 and 2, then 2 and 3, and then 1. Correct? This is what we did. But now, because there were 2 1s, yes, Himani, this was your point. two ones were there, so maximum combination could be 2 digits. Now here there are 3 ones. So what will happen? First 1, second 1 and 2.
3.
Now 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Once this is done, then we'll start shifting towards the right. 2, 3, 3. So 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 and 3. So both the ways you can represent. So 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. But
Yes.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा मेंटली स्लो हो जाओगे, उतना फास्ट नहीं रहेंगे जितना हम 11 में थे, बट धीरे धीरे आप पिक कर जाओगे ये भी. और ये 3 लिखना था. Got it?
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंस समझ आ गया?
इस वाले में सर 111 वाले में मतलब दो बार फिर 11 करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 3 बार into 11.
नहीं, 111 क्या 2 बार 11 होता है? 11 into 11 होता है.
अच्छा सॉरी.
21 होता है मैम.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
ये अक्सर यही तो देखो, जब आपको हो सकती है तो बच्चों को भी तो यही कंफ्यूजन हो सकती है, फिर वो भी तो गलती करके आ सकते हैं ना, है ना. चलो एक और कर लो. 2, 3, 4 into चलो 111. Do it.
And 25974.
25974.
259 कैसे आया?
Sir, first steps 2, second 2 plus 3, third step 2 plus 3 plus 4, then
Correct.
3 plus 4.
Very
and
good. Very good, Anjali. Good. Yes, Prachi.
Yes, sir, I got answer first.
अच्छा, आप very good. Okay, Himani.
सर मुझे बस वो जो एक्सपेंशन का मतलब वो डिवाइड करना, जैसे ट्रिपल टू डबल टू वाला, उसमें थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है, बट हो जाएगा.
नहीं कंफ्यूजन,
प्रैक्टिस से.
कंफ्यूजन नहीं मैम. देखो पहला क्वेश्चन भी आपको 2 बार पे सॉल्व हुआ, बट उसके बाद कितना फास्ट हो गए. पहले तो अपने आप को ये मत बोलो मुझे ये नहीं आता, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. सिर्फ ये हो सकता है, देखो लाइफ में देयर इज नथिंग लाइक आता है और नहीं आता. इट इज यू आर फेमिलियर विद वन थिंग और यू आर नॉन फेमिलियर. अगर किसी चीज को पता, आप फेमिलियर हो तो वो आता है. करेक्ट. सो मैं आपको वीडियो दिखा सकता हूं. पहला क्वेश्चन आप गलत कर गए थे, दूसरा, बट उसके बाद कितना अच्छा हो गया. सो सेम हियर. Now, similarly, 6, 7, 8 into 111.
Seven, 5, 2, 5, 8.
7, 5,
2,
5,
8.
इसको अभी पेपर पे करना पड़ेगा आपको. 6, 13, then 21, then 15, and then 8. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, yes, anyone has a doubt?
75258.
Perfect. Very good. Now, similarly, yes, Shilpa, you're not answering.
यस, मैं देख रही थी, मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था.
तो जहां कंफ्यूजन है वहीं पूछो ना. कोई क्वेश्चन है वहीं पूछ लो. Any doubt you can ask me right now.
फर्स्ट नहीं, वही कैरी ऑन है तो वही एक एक ऐड करना है, तो
Yes.
थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन.
See, जब भी addition आएगा दो digits का, you'll always get one digit to add, ना? Because what can be the digit? 9 and 9. So the maximum could be 9 and 9. So carryover is always 1. Correct. Okay, one more. 8, 7, 8 into triple 1.
Nine, 7, 4, 5, 8.
9, 7.
4.
9, 7, 4, 5, 4, 5, 8.
So Prachi, you are doing good. Sonu is doing superb. So वैसे मैथ को बदनाम कर रखा है, मैथ्स टफ होता है, मैथ्स टफ होता है, नहीं आता हमें. हाँ? बोलो. Is it tough?
No, sir.
Maths is just a pattern of numbers. Only we need to understand that basic thing. Yes, Dr. Kaur, Shilpa, Richa, Rachna is also joined. Yes. So now what do you think? Mind change hua? Okay, no issues. Now again, if it is big number 1, 2, 3, 4 into triple 1, what changes would be? First again 1, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3. Up till here you are correct. But now there is one additional number 4. So what will happen? You will shift like we were doing in 11. We were shifting towards right hand side. So the next would be 2, 3, 4 combination. Then it will be 3 and 4 and the last 4. Correct?
Yes, sir. 1, 3, 6, 9, 7, 4.
Very good. Yes, Prachi, Shilpa, Dr. Kaur,
Yes.
Anjali. Yes, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is 12 into triple 1, then
12 into triple 1. सर ये नंबर तो 2 डिजिट है, बट हमारे पास सीरीज 3 की है, 11 की.
अगर 9 को हम 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, क्या तब हम ये बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास डबल डिजिट है 11 और वो सिंगल है?
नहीं.
Think. Yes, please, Prachi. बोलिए. Yes, Dr. Kaur, Shilpa.
Sir, can we add one digit?
डर क्यों रहे हो? मैं छड़ी लेके तो नहीं बैठा. Yes, Dr. Kaur. You are not there, I think. Yes, Anjali. अरे add 0 ना, finish. क्या हो गया? 3 digit हो गया. So 0 and 1. 0, बट फर्क क्या आएगा मैं बता देता हूँ. देखो जब ये 3 हो जाएगा, फिर 1 + 2. तो ये जो दो डिजिट्स हैं यहाँ सेम आंसर आएगा. 1, 3, 3, 2. सो ये दोनों हमेशा आंसर सेम रहेंगे. बिकॉज 0 ऐड करो तब भी फर्क तो आता नहीं. Why I don't get confused. This is again a balancing thing. See, you will always come across such problems where you should balance with 0. That is very important, and that is very also. Got it? Any other question?
No, sir.
अच्छा चलो, और मैं इससे भी आगे ले लेते हैं. 1 2 3 4 into 4 ones अगर आगे. Okay, very first thing. अगर 1 2 3 into 222 आ गया, then what you'll do now?
2 into 111.
Yeah, 2 into 211. So 2 4 6 into 111 हो गया. Yes, got it, Prachi? भाई ये 2 into
मुझे
111
इसमें confusion.
अच्छा, इसको 2 को इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ना मैंने. 222 क्या होता है? What is 222?
हाँ हाँ 1 2 3 into
2 पहले करते हो.
2 into 111. Okay.
Yes. So 246 into 111.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? Please give me.
27306.
तो और आप नहीं है, कहाँ गए?
26 207. Oh, 27.
Yes, शिल्पा.
किया नहीं मैंने.
क्यों? भूल गए.
2706.
2 6 12 then 10 then 6 6 0 3 7. Both the ways आपका चलना चाहिए. You should know how to do it, right, left. But yes, देखेंगे when you practice, left to right would be always fast, because वो आपके accordingly है, the way your eyes and your brain coordinate, right? Okay. Yes, Anjali, you're getting? Any doubt if you have? So this way we can do entire calculations of 11 triple 1 series, triple 4 times 1 series, 5 times any. So can you, any question you have, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yes, Sonu. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shilpa, any question you have? No questions? Okay. So let's move further. Now this was the first topic, why Vedic mathematics, because it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. So you were fast or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, so only speed does not matter. Speed to log bolenge, then use calculator, so you'll be speedy. Now, other than this, so very important. So this is what you did. You can download these notes also, I'll be giving you. So it was left side digit, add the digits in between, and right hand side digit. So this is the format of 11. Then we did these numbers. A test was there, 141 and 564 ki jagah, I think we took 576, whatever. Right. And we were actually adding corresponding digits and not, right. And similarly, we were calculating from left to right, rather right to left. Second advantage or second use of Vedic mathematics. Why should we do Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces burden. Now, what is a burden? So how many of you still remember tables? All are grown up now. Yes, Shilpa.
नहीं अभी याद नहीं है.
कहाँ तक याद है?
नहीं ऐसे आता है कभी कभी लेकिन
Up till which number? 11, 12?
हाँ.
Okay. Yes, Sonu. What about you?
Sir, I know 20.
20. Okay. चलो किस किस को मार याद है जो पढ़ी थी टेबल्स के लिए?
मेरे को कभी नहीं पड़ी है.
आपको तो कोई भी नहीं मार सकता. मराठियों को मारना कौन, अगर मेल
नहीं
होगा
मेरे
तो से डरता है.
नहीं मेरे 30 तक लर्न थे तब.
बट 30 तक तो चलता नहीं ना. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है टीचर का क्या है, अगर आप 19 पूछा अगले दिन पूछ लेंगे 23. नाउ इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्रैम एवरीथिंग, डू यू नो.
नहीं तो 30 तक मुझे आते थे पहले टेबल, अभी नहीं आते.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, आज आज सारे आ जाएंगे अप टिल 9999999. नाउ द पॉइंट इज, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट बर्डन ऑन एनी चाइल्ड. राइट इन क्लास थर्ड जब टेबल स्टार्ट होते हैं आप देखेंगे बच्चे का वहीं से जाना खत्म हो जाता है कि मैंने मैथ्स की क्लास तो अटेंड नहीं कर. Because there is no limit to it, no end to it. The first question will be, tell the table of 8. वो 8 का रट्टा मारेगा बेचारा, अगले दिन 9 आ जाएगा, 9 का करेगा 39. So it's always difficult to cram each and every number. And the very important thing, now where does this word cramming starts? It also starts with math classes. Every teacher, let it be Hindi, English, means language teacher, science teacher, social science teacher, everybody tells you, understand the concept, learn it, and remember. But it is mathematics when it comes to particularly tables. You get it, cram it, and remember. Now, there is always a misunderstanding, or a child is always into doubt. What is better, understanding or cramming? It's always there because they cannot understand how to cram everything. कंफ्यूजन क्लास 6-7 तक रहता है और उसके बाद बच्चा छोड़ देता है कि भैया मुझसे तो होगा ही नहीं. So tables had been the burden. Every student, every person once or twice might have been scaled down or knee down for this tables. And this is again when we are at home, when we start teaching our kids, we also start avoiding that tables. जब टेबल का टॉपिक है नहीं ये अपने आप कर ले. So the pressure passes on to the second generation because they can also understand this. If my parents do not know this thing, how can I do? So they have an excuse for this. आपको भी तो नहीं आता. They also take it very lightly. Now the point is, are tables such tough thing? So today I'll be giving you very simple techniques with which, and if you start teaching, if you start guiding the students, so let this be the first topic, because this is what is the biggest pain, biggest burden with every child of class 3 and above. 3, 4, 5, you ask this question, and moreover, not only children. I'll tell you, I was in Tribhuvan University or Kathmandu, and even MSc Mathematics. The students who are pursuing MSc Mathematics, they also know tables up till 12 only. So Shilpa, you are far, far better than them. तो ये प्रॉब्लम सभी के साथ है क्योंकि हम अपने डर छुपा सकते हैं पर वो अंदर तो है ही ना. Yes, Dr. Kaur, you can write tables up to which number? Prachi? Yes, Anjali?
Sir, near about 20.
फिर मैथ्स पढ़ाते कैसे हैं आप बच्चों को?
25 ऐसे.
नहीं मैम, दिस इज
केवल
रॉन्ग.
लिखना हो तो हम लिख सकते हैं इजीली, बट अगर
नहीं
स्पीक भी करना हो तो 20 तक.
हाँ, बस
पहली
वही.
चीज नहीं, एक मिनट, वर्बल एग्जाम कौन सा होता है मैथ्स का?
इसका क्या?
Written maybe I'll tell you now how do you I'll tell you, no issues. So today we'll learn something very important. Now I'll give you two concepts. One is writing tables of numbers ending with 9. Correct. So what are the numbers ending with 9? 9, 19, 29, 89. This is generally what I asked a question. So if you are asked, Sonu, to write a table of 89, how much time you need?
Sir, approximately 2 or 3 minutes.
Sonu, 2 or 3 minutes. Yes, Prachi? Everyone should tell me now. Then only we'll see. Yes, Anjali, how much time for writing table of 89? Prachi, Shilpa, Richa. आज मेल कोई भी नहीं है. As this, ये कौन है? Yes, Dr. Kaur. How much time? For lot of time. नहीं मैम, मैथ्स के आप सारे स्कॉलर हो. मैथ्स में तो एग्जैक्ट ये चलो ये बोल दो 10 मिनट, but don't say lot. Okay, so I should assume 2 is the minimum, others 5 at least. 20 minutes, don't say ma'am. So today you'll be able to do within 10 seconds.
No.
What no? Yes, 10 seconds is the maximum time. We can do in 8 seconds also. That will depend on your practice. So it's not about only timing. It is about what we have fear in us. Because the moment anybody asks us like this question, we start try to escape from that situation, that position, that place. And this is the same what our kids do. आप उनसे जैसे ही पढ़ाई की बात करते हो खिसकने की करते हैं. फिर आप कहते हो कि इंटरेस्ट इसीलिए तो नहीं है, आता नहीं है. So now I'll give you the easiest approach, and then you see, teach them this. Start with your kids. Teach them these 2 tricks, and then see how positive they will emerge. One time I taught this concept to somebody in Scotland. One student was there in Scotland. He rushed to his father and said, what the hell, our teachers had been teaching since long. He called me up and asked, Yugesh, what did you taught him? I go, what happened? He was very much like he was speaking so much against the teachers, what they have been doing. Because yes, see, can you understand the feelings of a child? They were so tense, so stressed up. We don't know this, and this happens with all of us. Okay. Now, and okay. So first would be writing tables of numbers ending with this, and second would be any general table, and we'll do both. So first, let's do. Okay, what is this? Yes, what is this?
सर वो एक गेम खेलते थे ना पहले, वो क्रॉस और वो सर्कल वाला.
नाम बताओ ना.
एक्सो ऐसा कुछ. एक्सो.
चलो टिक टैक टॉक भी कहते हैं बच्चे, खेलें. चलो अब गेम नहीं खेलना, पर बच्चों को जब कराएं तो स्टार्ट विद दिस ओनली. See, first let them connect with you. Always remember, no child is interested to learn mathematics. No child. So the day they are coming to you for classes, that is due to the pressure, force of their parents. So if they are not interested, they will never come again to the second or third, or even if they have to come, they'll never understand anything. So make that first class so interesting that they would love to come to you. Correct. And this is what you can help them out with. Show them a game. I'll show you one video where 85 students I taught together online, and they were shouting like anything. One mother said, they are scribbling. I said, let them do now. They'll scribble for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then what? And the next day, my counselor asked them, what you would like to learn? They said, we'll play the game with sir. So that should be there. They should love to come back. Okay, so we'll do like this. One, two, three, and we'll go in the middle term, and so we'll start from the rightmost corner and go to the leftmost like this, inverted S direction. Done? Have you done? Okay. Now, what table you have to write? For example, I'll explain. If you're going for a table of 19 or 39 or 119, now how you have to manage? See, this is, we'll be applying the first sutra. First sutra is A, I'm breaking, Adhikena, Kvena. तो अगर इसको ब्रेक करो, एकाधिकेना पूर्वेना संस्कृत में है, अगर ब्रेक करो, ट्रांसलेट करो तो देखो एक अधिक एना पूर्वेना मीन्स one more than previous. So this is the translation, and mathematical meaning is add one to the previous number. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, very simple sutra. I'll show you one more application tomorrow. So it's not like one formula will be used at one place. No, it can be used in a different place with different context also. So here, I will not, what I'll see, whatever number is before 9, I will add 1 to it. Here it is 1, add 1, so it becomes 2. Here it is 3, add 1, it becomes 4. Here it is 11, add 1, it becomes 12. Got it? Any question? Or if it is 89, add 1, it becomes 9. Any question? Is it clear up till here? So you just have to add 1 to the previous number. Now, what you will do with this previous number? Let's say let's say I'm supposed to write a table of 19. First, I'll complete 19. What I have to add? I have to add 2 because this is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So just that's all. This 2 is to be repetitively added everywhere. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now come down the reverse way. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. And 19. That means I started with 19. I ended with 19. I'm correct. And put 0. So 19. What is this? 19 1 the 19. 19 2 the 38. 19 3 the 57. 19 4 the 76. 19 5 the 95. 19 6 114. 7 is 133. 8 is 152, 9 is 171, and 10 is 190. Did you understand? Yes, Prachi. समझ आया? Dr. Kaur, समझ आया? दोनों?
Sir, yes,
सर
sir.
ये 76 के वहाँ कैसा मतलब 19 है जैसे तो 1 में 2 ऐड किया 3 प्लस 2 5 5 प्लस 2 11
5 plus 2 11
इसके
होता है।
बाद
5 plus 2 7. इधर से आओ ना मैम, ये देखो एरो बनाया है।
ओके ओके हाँ सर ये
इसके
कंफ्यूजन
लिए कलर्स अलग अलग किए थे मैंने। जैसे गए हो वैसे ही उल्टा वापस आना है।
7 9 9 प्लस 2 11 वापस 13 15 मतलब बेस नंबर है जो 1 2 3 जिस सीरीज में हमने लिखा है वो चेंज नहीं होगा। जो टेबल हम डालेंगे जैसा उसमें सिर्फ 2 ऐड करते चलना है हमें।
ये 19 में हुआ है। अब अगर यही क्वेश्चन 39 है, सपोज ये 39 करना है, तो क्या ऐड करेंगे अब? 3 plus 1 क्या होता है? 4.
3 plus 1 4.
3 9
3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4
11. 11 plus 2 15.
15 plus 4 19. 19 plus 4 23. 23 plus 4 27. 24 27 plus 4 31. 35 and 39. सी यहीं से पता चल जाता है करेक्ट है तो Correct.
सर इसमें हमने 4 कैसे मतलब नेक्स्ट नंबर ऐड किया?
ये हमने अभी तो ये दिखाया था ना मैंने आपको कि एक अधिक, ये यहाँ कर ये लिख के दिया एकाधिकेन पूर्वेना, add 1 to the previous number. तो अगर 19 का टेबल था तो 1 में 2 ऐड किया, 39 का है तो 3 में 1 ऐड किया, 4. जो भी नंबर 9 से पहले है, क्योंकि ये हम कर रहे हैं टेबल्स ऑफ नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 9, सो 9 से पहले जो नंबर है उसमें एक ज्यादा या अगला नंबर. नाउ इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, doctor, any doubt? Prachi, Richa, Anjali. Okay, if it is clear, please write down table of 29 yourself. Write down. 29 का करो शिल्पा. 29.
Sir, done.
कितना टाइम लगा आपको?
Within seconds.
Yes, Prachi, Anjali, doctor, are you able to do?
यस सर.
चलो, तो अंजलि ने लिखा था 20 मिनट. Yes, Anjali, are you able to do? So let me show you. You can have your stop watches ready. I'll show you 89. $89, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No, something wrong. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if it is 89, so 89 means 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 53 plus 9, 62. 62 plus 9, 71. 71 plus 9, 80. And 89. So hardly 8 seconds if you count on that. Yes, Anjali, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So 20 minutes का तो खत्म हो गया.
सर फर्स्ट इसमें हमने सिर्फ 1 ऐड किया था और इसमें हमने 9 ऐड किया.
क्यों, इसमें भी तो 1 ही तो किया ना. 8 plus 1 9 हुआ ना.
अच्छा वैसा लिखा आपने. 8 plus 1 9. बट सेकंड इसमें आपने 17 कैसे किया?
8 plus 9 कितना होता है मैम?
हाँ
हर एक में वही रहेगा, अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता. हर एक का सेम रहेगा सभी का, तभी तो वही पैटर्न रहेगा मैम. Right. Okay. Now it's not that you can do it with 2 digits only. See, 119. So what you'll add now, Prachi? क्या add करोगे आप?
12.
12.
तो 11 plus 12 कितना होता है? 23. 23 plus 12 कितना है? 35. 35 plus 12 कितना होता है? 47. 47 plus 12 59. 71. 83. 95. 107 and 119. जो हमारे में बच्चों में जो कमी होती है ना, जो सिंगल डिजिट एडिशन ऐड नहीं कर पाते, यहाँ प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी वो, और वो उतना तो आना चाहिए. See, that is why we are not replacing Vedic mathematics with our existing mathematics, because Vedic maths we want to start with class 3, so that they should know single digit addition, so that they should know tables up till 8. Any doubt you have? Anyone? Okay, if no doubt, try with 99. Most easiest.
Sir, done.
Good. Yes, Prachi. Shilpa, Richa. Yes, doctor. Anjali. हो गया अंजलि 99. तो 20 मिनट से 20 सेकंड्स पे आ गए ना.
Yes, sir.
बाकी कोई बात नहीं, 10 पे भी आ जाओगे क्योंकि थोड़ा सा और करेंगे. चलो एक और कर लो फिर. इजी इजी तब दे रहा हूँ ताकि थोड़ा सा आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. 199. फिर धीरे धीरे बढ़ते चले जाएंगे.
सर इसमें भी लास्ट डिजिट में ही मिलाना है ना, तो 3 डिजिट भी रहा था.
मैंने अभी 11 में क्या किया था, जो 11 में किया वही 19 में करिए. 19 में एक ऐड करेंगे 20 बन जाएगा. तो 20 ऐड करना सबसे आसान है.
Sir, done.
सॉरी.
सर मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. मुझे एक टेबल है 19 वाला रिपीट कीजिए पूरा,
कौन से?
मतलब स्टार्टिंग है सिर्फ.
कहाँ पर, कहाँ पे बोलो. कोई
जैसे 99 में हमने 9 में 1 मिलाया, फर्स्ट डिजिट पे प्रीवियस नंबर पे 9 + 1 10.
हमने हमेशा एक 9 को तो लेना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, यहीं पे 1 मिलाया तो 10 बन गया. बस वो 10 हर बार ऐड
10.
करते चले जाना है. So 10 + 9 19, then 10 29, then 10 39, then 10 49, then 10 59, then 10 69, then 10 79, 89 और 99. ठीक है, अब बोलो अगला नंबर कोई. अब 11 119 है सपोज, तो 11 का मतलब हुआ एक ऐड करो तो क्या बन गया, 12 ऐड करना है हर बार. ठीक है, और ऐसे ही 199 है अगर, तो 20 ऐड करना है आपने हर बार, क्योंकि 19 + 1 20 होता है. अब आया समझ? बताइए। यस प्राची।
यस सर।
आवाज में दम नहीं है, इसका मतलब मुश्किल है।
नहीं सर, प्रैक्टिस।
ये प्रैक्टिस तो बहाना है, समझ आया नहीं आया वो पूछा मैंने। चलो अच्छा, अब 89 तो हो गया 10-15 सेकंड में, ठीक है। अगर मैं पूछता हूँ 87, अब क्या आंसर है? अब आंसर जो देगा उसी को रखूंगा क्लास में, बाकी कर ही नहीं रहे। यस 87 करना हो तो सोनू कितनी देर, हाउ मच टाइम?
सर अगर जैसे पहले करते हैं उसी प्रोसेस से करूंगी तो अप्रोक्स 2 मिनट्स तो लगेगा।
ओके। यस प्राची। अंजलि। आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
सर आई हैव वन डाउट।
पूछो।
सर अभी तक जितने किए हैं उनके पीछे 9 था, अब आपने 87 दिया है, इसके पीछे 7 है, तो ये कैसे होगा?
मैंने तो पहले ही, जब आप भूल गए, मैंने क्या बोला था, आज 2 तरीके कराऊंगा। वन इज नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 9 और फिर जनरल नंबर। चलो इसको 87 छोड़ो, मैं बोल देता हूँ 16, 17। लो एनी टेबल। See, now it is general, open. चल मैं बताता हूँ। See, till now, suppose आपसे 17 का ही टेबल, 17 का नहीं आता लोग, you have two methods. One is you keep on cramming 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. अब यहाँ आके फंस जाते हैं कि आगे
25,
याद नहीं होता, it's
51.
very difficult. Then second method is you, some teachers are intelligent, so they suggest you one way, इसको ऐड कर लो, इसको ऐड कर लो, फिर ऐड कर लो।
यस सर।
पर ऐड करते करते पता है एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज सिली मिस्टेक, क्योंकि हर बार कैरी ओवर आता है। कैरी ओवर गिव्स अस सो मच ऑफ कंफ्यूजन कि वी मेक रॉन्ग। यस प्राची।
यस सर।
एनी
Yes,
थर्ड
sir.
टेक्निक यू नो? यस अंजलि, कोई तीसरा मेथड आता है हमें?
सर जो अभी आपने सिखा है
वो सिर्फ 9 के लिए है।
9 के लिए
अच्छा चलो, अब ऐसे करते हैं, 1 का टेबल किसको नहीं आता वो बताए।
कौन सा टेबल?
1 का तो
अच्छा जिसको 7 का नहीं आता वो बता दो। 7 का किसको नहीं आता?
7 का तो आता है।
सो 1 का भी आता है, 7 का भी आता है, तो प्रॉब्लम 17 में क्या है याद करो। 1 का भी आता है, 7 का भी आता है, टेबल्स तो 9 तक के, 8 तक के ही होते हैं, 9 भी उस टेक्निक से हो जाता है। तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्यों आती है हमें टेबल्स की? एवरी नंबर इज a combination of these digits only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0। हमने यही तो अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किया।
नहीं कर रही है तू।
लो ये ठीक है, मैंने ठीक लिखा 1 का टेबल।
यस सर।
चलिए अगर हम 2 का 7 का भी लिख लेते हैं।
21, 28, 25, 39।
क्लियर? अब जस्ट अज्यूम कि ये यूनिट पोजीशन है, ये टेंस पोजीशन है। अभी हमने बैलेंसिंग किया था, जस्ट रीअरेंज 17 एज इट इज। क्या 2 डिजिट आ सकते हैं यूनिट प्लेस पर? नो,
नो,
ओनली
ऐड कर
4।
देंगे।
Move this further. 4 1 5 8 6 5 8 2 10 9 11 6 13 3 15 0 17। So what is easy? Adding 17 every time. Yeah, 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 4 plus 2 5 plus 3। क्या easy है? But yes, is this method anywhere in any of the books? You talk about any school board, not in CBSE, not in ICSE, not in India, not in any part of the world, because it is not the topic of mathematics. It is just the understanding of your balancing, your unit position values, and you can simply, and once you know this, you can never be in problem. ये समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ये लो,
sir.
आपने 87 बोला कि मुश्किल, 87 छोड़िए, ये लीजिए 86 ले लिया, 8 का 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on, 6 का 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. So 86 as it is, 2 as it is, 1 goes further, so it becomes 17, 8 as it is, 25, 4 as it is, 34, 0 as it is, 40. Because single digit addition you can easily find out. Instead of adding 86, 86 every time, that means every time you'll get a carryover. Maybe one place or maybe twice. See, 86, 86, you'll have carryover here also and further also. Then 86, again 8, then carryover. So somewhere or other way you will always, and how I calculated within seconds. If we would have taught this kind of thing to the students, would they have been under such pressure? Bataiye. Yes, Anjali. Prachi, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Then any question now? Okay, one more. If it is 3-digit number, then also what is the problem? 1, 2, 3. So 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, 5, 10, 15. See, first 3 numbers you don't have to even add. It is giving you the answer as it is. And here 2 is there. 1 goes further, it becomes 9. So 492. 5 is here, it becomes 1 and 6. 615. So again tough. Tell me. तो वो बच्चे ने ठीक कहा ना कि इतने सालों से हमने पढ़ा क्या कि यहाँ तो टेबल्स दो आधे घंटे में खत्म हो गए. And we have been teaching since class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th तक हम टेबल्स ही रटाते रह जाते हैं. वो डर ही बैठा रहता है बच्चे के अंदर. अगर ये इजी टेक्निक बता दी गई होती तो was there anything like fear? Yes, Prachi, now any question? Anjali, any question?
No, sir.
शिल्पा गई अभी. Dr. Kaur. Yes, Sonu.
No, sir.
अब इसी को इम्प्लीमेंट भी कैसे करना है, बिकॉज योर प्रॉब्लम इज पहले तो टीचर्स मानते नहीं है टेबल्स का, और जब टेबल करा दो तो दे हैव अ क्वेश्चन अगेन. सर, हु आस्क्ड टेबल्स इन द एग्जाम? आई आल्सो एग्री, नोबडी आस्क्ड. देन व्हाई डू यू पुट दैट प्रेशर? सो you use this in multiplication. See a question, 676. Not, I'll change it. 6, 7, 8 multiply by 9. How do you do? 8 9s are 2, 7 here. So 9 7s are 63 and 7. So 7 further.
54.
54 and 7. 54 and 7 is
61.
now
61.
what happens? This is what creates a problem. Sometimes we overlook this. Multiple carryovers are always now see Vedic math technique. Just now we did tables. So there was no line. I'll put here 72. Let me put line. Otherwise, in tables, there was no line in between. So that space is just a line. Demarcation that you don't go wrong. Now, you have the answer in front of you. Now, balance it. 2 as it is, 0. 7 goes further, 61. Because here, a student might make a mistake. Here, the answers are in front. So you'll never tend to make any mistake. So that was the use of balancing line. Got it? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question you have? Any question you have?
Yes.
देखो है ना? So I always say 2 hours का तो कहने को है, 3 तो लगते ही हैं. Last time 3:45 लगे थे. They were asking questions. They're not asking, so कम लगेगा. So as you wish. You want to get more knowledge, you have to ask me. If you are okay, चलता है. Now, so this was the second advantage. The first advantage was speed increases. Second is the burden of tables removed. So you will be getting, again, you have the notes. This would be in the notes how to do magic box, we generally call it as. So 23 table, 3 at the unit, and then we just do, right? Another advantage. Why Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. Now, what is scratch work? If you remember, as a teacher, you always give rough sheets in the exam to the mathematics students. Now here, because you are doing most of the calculations mentally, so a lot of scratch work or rough work is reduced. Second, the methods are so easy that they can be done in few steps. Correct? I'm not saying no scratch work, but I'm saying reduced scratch work. Please understand this. And no finger counting. Now, why I am emphasizing on finger counting? Because this, yes, Prachi. प्राची कुछ कहना है? See, finger counting is a habit which get developed in these years, class 3rd, 4th, 5th. Why? Because some students are going for abacus also. Some have a habit also. So does it look nice? आपका बच्चा बाहर बाजार में यूं कर रहा हो कैलकुलेशन, आपको 100 रुपए के बनाना देने हैं, 30 रुपए देने. Why? So that is always, it looks awkward. Now, as a trainer, see, this webinar, this workshop was so that you can become a trainer, so that you can start your own classes. And the first question every mother has, how is it different from abacus? Yes? Do you have the same question in your mind?
Yes, sir.
Or I should omit? अगर आपको पता है या मैं आगे चलूं?
Abacus.
So how is it different from abacus? So the question arises, now I will not say here abacus is not good. It is a great mental tool. And जब तक Vedic maths implement नहीं हुआ था, abacus was being used as a commercial entity and people were earning a big, huge amount. Now, how to differentiate? See, abacus has a limited scope. It is used to carry out major arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Whereas we have others also. We have 4 still pending: squares, square root, cube root. There are 8 major arithmetic operations. Out of that, only 4 can be done very easily. The last 4, they take time. But whereas Vedic mathematics, it has a wider scope. With the help of the 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, you can do problems in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So the scope is wide. Second important difference. Now, abacus makes a use of tool which is made up of beads. Now, can you carry tool every time to your school or exam center? Tell me. No.
No.
But your brain you are always carrying with you. This is a difference. You are doing mentally or you're doing with some tool. If I was holding a abacus instrument today, was it easy to tell you or teach you so much? So Vedic maths is always easy to teach and learn. Means both the things are easy. Acceptance also and giving also. Right. Third important thing. Talk to any institute, any parent. They take minimum 2 to 3 years to learn abacus. If up till arithmetic only. And Vedic maths can be taught in 3 months. And the fourth, the most important, see, Vedic maths has been made compulsory as per national education policy. So one thing is, like somebody had a doubt, Prachi, but still it can be inculcated in the school syllabus. At least till that time, you can verify your school's syllabus answers. Correct, which is not possible in abacus. So they both have their own merits, but comparatively, if you talk about today, Vedic maths is more widely accepted, right? Any questions you have? Another important factor, why Vedic mathematics? Because it enhances or it helps to increase concentration. Now, what is concentration? As a mother, you might have this issue. As a parent, you have this issue, and if you are a teacher, then you are always listening this issue. Yes, Prachi, Anjali.
Yes.
So, as a teacher, you are listening. मेरा बच्चा concentrate नहीं कर पाता. I asked the first thing today also. Did you ever taught any concept how to focus, how to concentrate? What do you mean by concentration? The same child whom you are talking about, he remembers 40 movies frame by frame. Same child remembers 60 songs word to word, and you are saying he cannot concentrate. Say he cannot concentrate in the studies. And that is because lack of interest. Now today, what is concentration? When you do something repetitively with interest. Now, when you were doing these calculations, were you not feeling positive? A joyous feeling was coming. A vibe was going inside. Yes, Sonal, I asked you that time also. So, what happens when we like something? When we try to do the same thing, repeat the same thing, it becomes a part of our habit, our life, because we enjoy doing that thing. And for that, is concentration then required? It is automatically that we are doing it. So concentration is nothing at all. It is only when you love something doing, right? Then only you'll be focusing on that. That habit needs to be developed, and that will always come when they find interest in the subject. So let them first find interest in mathematics and then see the change. It will start with one subject, but the concept of visualization, reasoning, and logic, it will be turning out as a life-changing process. So this has been observed. So many research are going on this subject, and everybody has given the positive feedback. Now, I'll tell you, we have a workshop and conference in Nepal from 10th of June to 19th. And the topic is mathematics. What advancement or what betterment can be done for the teacher training and all. And they have invited specifically you give on Vedic mathematics. Why? Because people know it has got the logic, it has got something which can turn out their students. Right. So we need to work on that. Okay. It helps to reduce silly mistakes. What are the silly mistakes? Just now we were doing one question of multiplication. I showed you that there are multiple carryovers, and sometimes it happens. Students overlook those things. So silly mistakes are multiple carryovers and borrow. And let me tell you, in subtraction of in Vedic mathematics, we don't have a concept of borrow. There is no borrow at all. So think subtraction without borrow. Borrow is the biggest confusion, because if you want to check with it, give your child 100 rupees note and ask them to buy a banana of 29 rupees, 30 or 33 rupees. He'll not be able to understand what exactly change he'll be getting in return, because he gets confused. 10 minus 1, 9 minus. And here it is a simple concept. All from 9, last from 10. And this concept is applicable on all currencies of the world. All currencies. Simple one statement. All from 9, last from 10. Done. Subtraction, done. Money transaction, done. Yes. So do you think any disadvantages now? Advantages I have told you. So do you think any disadvantages? Yes, Anjali. Yes, doctor. You are experienced, so you can also share your views now. If your battery is down, if you can chat on that, that would. Yes, Prachi. Any disadvantage? Richa. Yes, Sonu.
No, sir, I'm not getting.
मुझे तो लगता नहीं सर.
चलो दो डिसएडवांटेज मैं गिना देता हूँ. एक तो कैलकुलेटर्स आपके बर्बाद हो जाएंगे, मतलब यूजलेस हो जाएंगे. You will not use calculator, because when you will be able to do faster, why will you use calculator? और आज अपने फ्रेंड से सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछना. How much time they need to write table of 89, and what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? They'll start feeling jealous of you. Joking. See, everybody wants this. I should be fast. My child should be fast in mathematics, calculation, mentally calculation. But we never think how it can be done. And Vedic maths is one solution. It's not, yes, for schools it is being implemented now, but in coaching institutes, in competitive academies, it's being used from last so many years, because all exams need this. Right. Okay. So now one just a small. So do you agree on this term? I started with Vedic mathematics is magical. So welcome to magical world. So do you think
Yes,
it can
sir.
make your mathematics magical?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. And just think today, what is the situation? I'll tell you. You appear for an interview. It's not that only certificates will matter. Yes, your certificates will give you the eligibility to go for an interview. What for the selection? For that, you need your skills. Skills for what? Because as a teacher, they will ask you how to deliver it. There is a lot of difference between pre-corona period and post-corona. Earlier, a teacher was teaching in 4 walls of the class. And what was happening? Anything what teacher was saying, everybody used to abide to it. If in PTM, a teacher was saying your child is not good at this or not doing this thing, parent used to scratch the child there itself or scold the child. But now if you say anything negative in front of parents, they'll say, we know how you also teach. Because whatever you are teaching, you have got a global market after corona, but at the same time you have got global competition. Every school is going with online also, hybrid model. We have some lessons online, some offline. But the reason has happened is कौन है? So everything, just this is a very important factor that people are now able to evaluate and have. Similarly, in the corporate industry, if you're not able to communicate, if you're not able to deliver what your company is giving, it is not going to give you benefits. So in actual, we all are salesperson. It's not only that the morning you get a call from HDFC Bank or some bank, they are only doing sales. Everybody is into sales. If I'm presenting you today, so that means I am selling my course. So if you are teaching to a student, that means you are selling your teaching skills. So everybody is linked like this only. So how it makes difference? There are two things which brings a difference between you and others. What is that? Content. What content do you have with you? And second, what delivery you are giving. Correct. Now, content I will be able to provide you everything you can get from me, but delivery you have to work on, because now you don't think that I'll take only offline class, so I'll manage. People want now online. They don't have time. They want to be available everywhere. That then we're getting global students, but at the same time, global competition. And these two things will matter a lot. Coming to the end, you will be getting a homework very shortly. I'll just share with you. Apart from that, all of you must have a Facebook account or page. If page is there, it is better. I'll discuss how to start your classes online, free of cost also. So for that, if you don't have Facebook, please open today. It's not a big thing. And if you want, okay, I should not, because there are people who don't want to disclose. So keep any name, but you should have. And when you are entering into education industry, you need this today. It is just like your virtual office, free of cost. So please understand this. Open a Facebook account, or if it is not there, you should have page. Right, Instagram is an additional. So this is for tomorrow, so that tomorrow we'll be learning how to launch classes, and then we'll learn scaling of 3 techniques. We'll be learning cubing, right? So three things we'll be doing tomorrow. Any doubts, any questions now? Yes, Anjali, Sonu.
No.
Any questions you have? So that brings to the end. So we'll meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. I'll share your homework right now. Any questions you have, you can write down on my WhatsApp also, or you can ask me now. Yes, please. Yes, Anjali.
No questions, sir.
Sono.
All is clear.
सर एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, तो वैदिक मैथ से तो रिलेटेड नहीं है, बट कल ही मेरे बेटे ने मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था एंड आई हैड नो आंसर. उसने मुझसे पूछा कि व्हाई वी ऑलवेज राइट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट.
यही तो मैंने पूछा था आज.
हाँ सर, लेकिन उसके कारण क्या है कि हम लोग हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट लिखते हैं.
लेफ्ट टू राइट तो हमारा एक जो फ्लो है ना, जो लैंग्वेज बनी है, वो सारी वही है. जो लिपि है, जिसे कहते हो लिपि.
हाँ.
और ब्रेन जो है, ब्रेन काम ऐसे करता है हमारा. क्वेश्चन ये नहीं होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन ये था कि मैथ्स क्यों फिर उल्टा करते हैं.
नहीं सर, वो उसके कहने का सेंस ये है कि कोई भी हम लोग राइट से लेफ्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. जब हम लोग लिखते हैं किसी भी चीज को, तो लेफ्ट राइट से लेफ्ट लिख सकते हैं, ऊपर से नीचे नीचे से ऊपर लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग हमेशा लेफ्ट टू राइट ही क्यों लिखते हैं?
पहली चीज, लेफ्ट टू राइट, ये डिपेंड किया लैंग्वेज कैसे जो बनी. तो आज तक का सिद्धांत रहा है वो हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट ही था. दूसरा, कोई भी चीज जब आप पकड़ते हो, वो हमेशा जो बोल्ड होता है वो लेफ्ट से ही दिखा आता है, लेफ्ट से राइट का ही फ्लो रहता है। यस प्राची, क्या हुआ? यस प्राची, विल शेयर यू, आई एम सेइंग द सेम थिंग। तो वो लेफ्ट से राइट का ही रहता है। आप किसी भी लिपि को उठाएंगे, चाहे लैंग्वेज को उठाएंगे, चाहे हिंदी, इंग्लिश, कन्नड़ा, तमिल, सिर्फ एक उर्दू ऐसी जबान है जो उल्टा चलती है, करेक्ट, अदरवाइज सारी, जापानीज भी एक है। तो इसके पीछे एक कारण तो बहुत बड़ा ये रहा है कि हम अपने एंसेस्टर्स को फॉलो करते चले गए। शायद शायद हम इसको उल्टा भी कर सकते थे, पर क्योंकि लैंग्वेज हमने डेवलप नहीं की है, ये पहले से आ रहा है। मैथ्स
जी।
में तो मैथ्स का जो क्वेश्चन था वो इसलिए था
हाँ
कि जब सब कुछ ही लेफ्ट टू राइट करी जा रही है तो फिर ये उल्टा क्यों है?
हाँ
व्हाट माय पॉइंट। सेकंड थिंग, मैथ्स में लेफ्ट टू राइट हमारा करने का एक बेनिफिट भी है कि वो फास्ट हो जाएंगे हम,
हाँ
बट हमने जो लैंग्वेज या वो सब किया है तो वो राइट फ्रॉम दैट ही है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
यस यस डॉक्टर, एनीवन एल्स, एनी क्वेश्चंस? Okay, then I'll share you the homework and we'll have a class tomorrow at 2, right? Okay, thank you.